Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 464, Bitcoin and alts. Thank you all for being here. Again, it's just going to be crypto technicals. It is Friday. We might look at some markets, who knows. But thank you all for being here. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate all the support you give to this awesome community. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We're willing to know what you're thinking. And if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. The link's in the description, so here's a link to the articles that we cover here. Whenever there's articles, and you can also join me on on Twitter, right? Links also in the description. Sorry guys, I know there's chat going on. I'm finishing setting up the stream. Sometimes it takes me a little bit longer to go through the steps. I'm not sure why, but I am here and I am live. I'm just going real quick on Twitter saying I'm live on the Discord to let y'all know that I have not shown up yet, that we're live. That way y'all know that we're live, right? And today is a celebratory stream because late? Yeah, Jake asked me if I was late. Yeah, I was a couple minutes late, Jake. I was finishing setting up some stuff for the stream, and it took me a little bit longer than I expected. Particularly the fact that, you know, the OneUp coin has been getting disconnected consistently from Coinbase. I had to do that real quick. But we're going to jump on and start looking at stuff. Jake, thank you for being here. Jonathan Sanchez, thank you for being here, man. Did it start? Yes, it's starting. Good evening, Bring Facts. Thank you for being here. Big winner from yesterday. Yo, Double B, what's up? Definitely look at Litecoin. Yeah, Litecoin. Oh, Telcoin, sorry. We'll put Telcoin on the list. Try to follow proper format, guys. That's going to be key for me to keep track of what's going on. Love the vids. Thank you, Daryl Roberts. Thank you for being here. Breath. Bloody right now. Well, yeah, thanks. Kiss, what's up? Talking in STX? Sure, we'll try to check out STX as well. Why not? Hell, or here I should stay. Yeah, you should be here, you know, whatever. The channel, thanks. Bitcoin going down? Well, we'll see. Simply better. It is moving down slightly. It seems to be holding on some support. We'll check it in a few. Ethereum first. Why isn't it moving? Double B. Yeah, well, Ethereum is in the top 5 that we usually do, so no need to request that one, man. It'll definitely get checked out. Dot and Link, sure, man. Yo, hey, you heard him? Viral video. I'm doing great, man. I'm doing awesome. Hey, Andrew, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Link and ADA, sure. Link will already get requested, but we'll do ADA as well, right? Steve's gonna love that, man. Steve also requests that all the time. Simple better, ADA. Yeah, we're gonna start, right? Let's move on and start looking at. I was looking at Bitcoin pre-market, but or from pre-market, pre-starting the video. Can I do wave? Sure, Danny DeVito. Thanks for being here. Hey, go. S6 another doing good. Great. You treat my live streams like your uni course. Thanks, man. I'll send you some reading material. It's not something that I wrote, but it's something that will potentially help you out a lot with your trading. By the way, Cheers, guys. I was not able to do this a couple days ago. My throat was really bad. Today seems to be doing a lot better throughout the day. I really didn't talk that much today. And it seems to be holding out. So I'm going to be drinking whiskey tonight. So if you want to join me, crack open something in your house. Beer, whiskey, you know, joint, whatever you guys want to do. I won't judge you, but thank you for being here, guys. I appreciate it. And cheers to 1,000 subs. Ah, it's good, man. I haven't had anything to drink like this in a while. Oh, well, that's not a lie. On 500, we drank. Anyways, let's roll. Let's see if we can get to 1,250 subs, right? So we need 100 subs tonight. Well, let's get the stream rolling. What is happening with market cap? Daily, we went down yesterday a little bit, right? Again, Bitcoin bounced, obviously market cap bounced. So it's doing the same moves as Bitcoin. Again, Bitcoin being about 70% of the market is just going to follow it, right? It's the biggest player, so it did go down 54.38 billion, 5.18% today. It's trying to pull back up a little bit, and it wouldn't surprise me by the time we get to Bitcoin if we're trying to also pull back up on the price. Losing 6.01 billion, approximately 0.61%, so not a lot. We still have 20 hours and 48 minutes to go. That's it for market cap. Dominance at 68.25. It lost a lot of dominance yesterday, 2.52% today, gaining a little bit, 1.06. But alts, this just means that some alts basically didn't lose as much as Bitcoin, right? So probably Bitcoin got more outflows of monies, and people turned it into cash, but the alts more or less remained. So, you know, that could be an interpretation of market cap, right? There's many ways to interpret this, right? Another one could be that alts and Bitcoin both lost, but Bitcoin just lost more than alts, right? Anyways, Bitcoin. What is happening with the price of Bitcoin? Look at this, beautiful support, right? We have this chart. I had this other curve on this chart where, like, this is not the main parabolic advance that we're looking at for 2021. This is another curve. I was just showing you guys that it was going parabolic. What I want to show you here is that we're staying above the support at 36,107, right? And it's very nice. We did manage to wick back up. We hit that fib node here at the 236, around 34,230, and then, you know, getting above that support and trying to hold on to it is really, really good. I really like that. We're also starting to create some hidden bullish. I'm going to draw it on the other chart that we usually look at. This chart with all the data and the weird lines, right? That makes it really, really hard to see, but it's a really good chart because this is where we have our horizontal supports. Now imagine if on top of this, I threw in some other stuff. It's going to be really weird. Hey, JRBB, what's up? Bernardo Pereira, thank you for being here. Barbado, gotta get a humidifier and keep it running all day. Yeah, we'll see, man. I do have a humidifier. I have kids, so, you know, I had them when they were babies. I just don't run it all the time. Whiskey should humidify my throat. Fine tonight, I hope. Buck again. Thanks for being here, Brett. So, what are we doing here, right? Low, high, right? We can go, I'm just going to go to here for this example, but I just want to highlight what's going on, right? So, we're going from low to high, and we're coming from negative momentum to more negative momentum. And I do believe this island is the highest point that we got. 187, 216, and this is 361, right? I'm looking at the data here. Negative 249, negative 361. So that means that we have hidden bullish divergence. Now we know hidden bullish divergence gives an area of consolidation or potential movement sideways or a return to happen, right? Or continuation. So we're at an uptrend. We're continuing on that uptrend, right? So is it good? Yeah, it could give us some support, right? I would love to trade it up there, but I need for that to come slightly lower, right? For now, I'll just leave it here. I don't want to get a lot of data being crossed. And we are bought at 60.40 on the daily, right? So let's go to this other chart. I have stuff here. We're going to look at this on the 4 hour. That's why I'm switching charts already. So I'm going to go to this chart. I think it's this one. Yeah. Look at this one, right? The micro fibs. Still on the daily. But I'm interested in this in the 4 hour. If we look at this, we fibbed this the other day. We said from high to low. Let's see if we're making a valid retrace. You're going to see this here. It makes no sense because it's in the middle of a wick. But that's because it wasn't the 4 hour chart. But if you can look at that, we're holding on. Right, we're holding on to that 50% retrace at $36,239, right? And we're holding on support there, so it's nice. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Here's where this chart makes sense, right? We're anchoring at the top, we're anchoring at the bottom, right? We're on this up sloping channel that we were kind of discussing the other day. So, we had the triangle, that's fine. We're really failing to go higher. It's not holding at support afterwards. It held support here, and it's not holding at support afterwards. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to look at this a little bit differently. And what I'm going to do is bring out the channel tool, right? A parallel channel tool. And I want to see if we are in any sort of a channel, right? So I'll go here. I don't think we're going to be in a very pretty channel. But what I'm trying to do is anchor, at least get 3 good touch points. And I'm still, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Barely breaking it back into it. We could say that Bitcoin is within an upsloping channel. And remember, we talked about that idea the other day of Bitcoin being on an upsloping channel when we moved that line up. I just didn't draw it as a channel. I just left it as it was. We talked about how to trade triangles. You basically trade channels the same way. When you're in a channel, you buy the bottom of the channel, you ride it to the top, right? You sell near the bottom or at the bottom, and then you ride it to the top. And we're at the bottom. We should be trying to pump back up to the top. But right now on the 4 hour, we are below that 20 moving average. So if you also look here on the 4 hour, I'm going to go to this chart here. I'll show you something. Look at what we did, right? So did it paste it? Nope, didn't paste it. I'm not sure where it's pasting it in. I'll try to copy and paste it. I don't want to do it again, but I guess I'm going to have to go and redo this. This is something that we talked about yesterday, right? We mentioned potential crosses. We talked about crosses, why they're good. We talked about the crosses because they bring negative momentum and action to the downside. Now what happened here, and you're going to see it in a second, is that we got an advance, right, on the cross. This move is what really made us cross. We didn't slightly go down and cross. Like we were here. This was not a forced cross, right? It was just a very nice cross to the upside. This really advanced that. And then obviously the next one we're crossing, but that's probably why we're bouncing and failing to go lower right now. Is because we already get the drop that we should have gotten after we cross. So it's like we got the pre-drop, let's say, right? So that's what I'm looking at here. Again, right, that's possibility. I didn't have a lot of time to go on the Discord and post a lot of stuff today. I was barely looking at the chats. I had a lot of things going on. Yo, AD, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Ali, is it going below 36K? I'm not sure. That's what we're trying to look at, right? It's at 36K. We do know we have support. We'll keep on looking at it. All we want to know, is it going to go up or down? I'm telling you guys what it can do, right? The potentials that we have. So you're prepared, right? If you want to short, you know what to do. If you want to long, you know what to do. You gotta know what you want to look for, right? We're in a range, right? 37,275 to 34,438. So long as we don't break that range, we're good. So I'm not super worried about Bitcoin. And if you look at what we did on the move down that we had, right? We just came in barely with this area. The lowest point we got was 34,353, and we had the target here at 34,438. So we were almost on target, right? It's like within $100, man. When we're talking about thousands, $100 or less than $100 is really almost negligible, right? To be off by that little on a support that's held before plenty of times, right? So we're holding support, we're facing resistance, right? So we are in a channel right now. Right, we're gonna keep on looking and see what we're gonna do with Bitcoin. Come on, wannabe, what's up? I'm going over Bitcoin now, yeah. Marky P, thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Nav, what's up? So Bitcoin's in the channel. We're rejecting the 20. We got to see what's going to happen with this candle, right? It's going to be interesting on the 4 hour. Whether or not we get above that 20. Being above that 20 puts us in a move where we can try to use it as support and bounce higher. Right now, if we're below the 20, we could be looking at a potential rejection, right? Which is the way it's looking like right now. And that rejection would get us to at least try to come back here to 34,452. So again, I'm telling you what the possibilities are to the downside, the upside. If we manage to keep on moving sideways here a little bit, we're very likely going to get another cross happening here, MACD, over the signal line. And with that, we could be looking for a pump, right? They've done it before. Look like this, micro pumps here, right? So we could be looking at something like that also developing here, right? But right now, we're not seeing an immediate move happening, right? So we got to see what's going to develop. Or we're talking about the possibilities of what can develop, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher points. Neutral at 47.89. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, what do we have? We had hidden bullish, right? For potential action to the upside. That's the last thing we called last night. Look, this was midnight. We're here live. We were still going to go up a little bit. Target was a 20. We got very close to a 20. We weren't quite hit it, and then we dropped. Right? So, you know, we did. This is playing as it's supposed to, right? Just upside. So, moving to the upside. Now we dropped. What are we doing? Well, I'm going to go from here to here again, just to illustrate what it's doing now. It's going to be very similar. It's actually going to be the same thing, just anchoring differently. So we managed to drop lower, and now we're coming from here, right? So low to even a higher or negative momentum to more negative momentum, right? And that is something that we want to be watching out for. So this circle makes no sense because it belongs on the 4-hour chart. I'm not sure why circles don't stay where they're supposed to. Man, let's send this back to the 4-hour. There we go. And again, nice movement up. We got this cross, right? MACD over the signal line, but it's not playing up with strength because we're rejecting a resistance, right? That's why it's moving down. And this time, we have also divergence here, right? Hidden bullish. And if you want to zoom in more and go from here to here, and go from here to here, you would just say you have strong bullish, right? On this last bit. So, I mean, you do have some good stuff happening for Bitcoin. That's what we pumped. But it's weak right now to get above this area. We could be retracing a little bit to try to gather a little bit more momentum and strength so we can burst through this area. We're below 20, right? So, I'm not liking that right now. But we don't have anything that bearish happening here, right? High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. Everything's looking good. Now, someone said go over the 15-minute Bitcoin. Sure, but if I want to go over the 15, I want to go over the 30 real quick, see what's happening there. Because here it is something that will explain that move, right? It's high to low. Now, pay attention, because this is what explains why we reverted at that resistance. And why we're moving down, right? Low to high, hidden bearish. Hidden bearish divergence brings us stalling or continuation. Continuation here, the trend, the trend for this part, I'm just going to do a rectangle. I'm just going to show you real quick. The trend for here is from here to here, right? So it's a downsloping trend. So, of course, that divergence is going to continue putting that resistance. And it's going to play out a little bit stronger right now. What do we have here? Strong bullish divergence. Look at this. It's very nice. So what can happen now, right? There's a couple things. We can try to drop lower. We're trying to hold on to a 20, which is good. So if we hold on to a 20, we could be looking for a pop, but we're going to have immediate resistance at 37,275. But if we manage to drop and fail to drop lower still than where we're at right now, which this could be considered a fail to drop lower than the previous low, this gives continuation to the bullishness, and thus we could try to run again. And the other thing that can happen is this drops lower than this low. So we'll be drawing a line from low to lower low very likely. And it comes with the possibility of creating some strong bullish divergence. So for that, I'm looking for a move from here, maybe to less negative momentum or a higher point on the other side. And that really could bring that action to the upside as well for Bitcoin. So someone said to look at the 15-minute. Yeah, we had a head and shoulders. I even made fun that a lot of people look for head and shoulders. It's fine. It did play out. It hit a measure move, right, of the head and shoulders. It's okay, right? So, you know, it's there. It's great. Let's see what's it doing here, man. Not sure why you want to come into the 15-minute. I mean, the only reason I would come into this short time scales is if there's a lot of movement in the market, right? A lot of volatility happening, and I really want to take some quick positions. So than that, for like, you know, swing trading, 15-minute chart, it really doesn't bring a lot of impact, right? Martin, what is your take on refinance? Thank you, Simon. I have not looked at refinance. Herrick, will it ever be an L season? Well, you have to be here to know, right? Because right now it don't look like it right now. At least not soonish. Like Bitcoin needs to get to a good area, consolidate sideways a little bit to allow for the alts to move. So stay here, you're gonna know. Dogalt's here tonight. Thank you for being here, man. Chainlink's at 21. We're gonna look good old Chainlink in a second. It already got requested. That's it for Bitcoin, right? Again, same bullish divergence here, right, from here to here. From here to here, right, from negative to positive, then low to high, right? That's gonna be pretty cool. And then high to low, low to high, right? So hidden bearish also. High to low, low to high, right? So we have that. Hidden bearish, action to the downside, moving us down, right? We're not doing anything else. What is the lowest point we got here? 159, 112. It's fine, right? So like I said, really not a lot going on. Neutral at 48.15. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go check out Ethereum. A lot of talks about Ethereum, right? Look, Bitcoin's going down, 0.57. What's Ethereum doing? Going up slightly, 0.34%. Right, so 0.34%. What's it doing, man? Well, we're in a range. What range? The same range that we've been trading. 1,261 to 1,153. Let's go on the daily. We didn't even break. We did break below it, but we managed to recover prior to that. Look at that. We came down. He did almost spot on. The lowest point is 1,158. We have that at 1,153. We're off by $5, and then we're trying to go like bounce a little bit, which is okay for Ethereum, right? For some reason, my MACD and my RSI are off, dude. It's been like that for a couple days. It's just awkward, man. Like they used to be beautifully centered, and now they just like don't want to like show in like proper scale. I guess it's weird. Let me do this real quick. See if I can come back in and have them show properly. There we go. Right. So high, low, positive was positive, high, low on the RSI, low, high, negative. We're making more negative momentum now. Let's see. 425, 405. Still not there, right? Not hidden bullish yet, but it's holding on good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We had the bearish divergence, right? Look, it just kept on tracking for a couple more candles, but it still was there. We called it already. We knew what to expect, right? We talked about the possibilities. Possibility was to come to the bottom part of the range also, right? So 1,153. Look, we did actually end up going to the 20, holding it as support, getting back on this channel, which is really good. So we don't have anything else going on here. Low, high, negative, less, negative, positive, low, high, right? About to get across the MACD under the signal line, and that could bring some negative momentum and potential movement down. OX Gamer, hello, I'm back. I just switched programs. Great. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Let's go check out the 1-hour chart. What are we doing there, man? What are we doing there, guys? What's going on, man? If you like what we do, hit like the bell on the sub. Right. So, Ethereum, 1-hour chart. Bearish divergence. Right? Move down. We're live here. What are we doing there, man? Let's go check it. Right, so the first thing I want to see here is this hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside or reversal. And that's precisely what we're getting, right? We're getting that reversal. But I do believe here we might have created more bearish divergence. And I'm going to have to zoom in to see. Only against the RSI, right? Look, high, higher. High on the RSI to a lower point. So that strong bearish divergence going us down, hidden bullish, cradling us a little bit. We're not hit the 20 and we're rejecting. So right now we're gonna, if we don't get above the 20, what's gonna happen? We're probably gonna keep on holding on to support as at 1,153, and we could start to get squeezed on this area as the 20 keeps on coming down, right? So imagine the 20 and that is gonna become like a triangle, right? And we could start getting squeezed like that until we break. It's happened before. On the 1 hour, about to get the cross of the MACD over the signal line, below the 0 line, and the question is, are we above the 200 moving average? We are. So getting this cross on the next candle could bring some potential for action to the upside on Ethereum. That would be really cool, right? Again, it all depends on whether or not Bitcoin allows it to play. Remember, Bitcoin is like the bad teacher that no one likes because it keeps everyone grounded. Yo, tell me more. How's it going, man? Dewey Perrin, can you check 4-hour chart? Duperine, can I check 4-hour chart for what? I'm not sure. Oh, my day was good, man. Bring facts, spend the day doing some work on the vault. There's interesting stuff happening with the vault. I'll talk about it in a second. If you remember, that's a coin we gave out yesterday, right? They hooked us up with the dough to give y'all some DeVault. But I want to show you something real quick. I told you the project has good stuff coming on for it. And if you don't believe me, these tweets from today. And actually, D, it's part of the DeVault team. He's like the main guy there, let's say. And he's giving away $100 in Binance to celebrate wrapping of DVT on Binance Smart Chain, right? So five winners are going to get 20 in Binance Coin. And that is really cool, dude. $20 worth of Binance Coin. And it's also because the project's getting wrapped. So that's going to bring bullish stuff onto the project. Because now it's DeFi, right? So be aware that the project could go to the moon. And right now it's very cheap to acquire. That's why I'm holding on to it. Like, it does have a lot of potential. Bring facts, that's Binance. Whoop, no, didn't disappoint. I know, right? If you got it, you got to hold on to that, man. It's going to be really good. Dogold, what's my honest opinion on XRP's future? Could it blast? I'm not about to last. Well, if you give me a second after Ethereum, I'm going to do XRP, and I'll give you my opinion on that. Because I made it clear before. So let's check it, dude, right? Let's go to Ethereum. That's it for, let's go to XRP. This is it for Ethereum, right? I mean, that's all that it has going on right now. Again, this cross could bring good stuff. I'm actually going to leave a circle, though. We haven't gotten the cross yet, right? We're close to getting it. I'll just leave a circle here. So we know we talked about this potential circle. See, circles for some reason just want to go into different time scales. So 1 hour will be fine for it. Neutral at 48.68. Let's go to XRP. XRP at 27.9 cents. Where are we at, man? Breaking below. Oh, we're still slightly above that 27.911, dude. We just got briefly above it, like barely above it, 28.0. What's it doing, dude? Remember when I told you that it was not looking good for XRP? Everyone's dumping it, man. Like, Grayscale's getting rid of it. Some exchanges are going to delist it. First they halted trading, and now they're going to delist it because they're going to feel pressure from the SEC, right? The SEC is the big bully, right? If they tell you to ground a project and you don't ground it, you're going to get fined with a lot of money. No one wants to get fined. I'm not sure whether or not they're telling people to stop trading it, but I do believe that a lot of people, or a lot of exchanges, are stop trading it just so they can be safe and sleep good at night. Trump says I think it might blow up. You've doubted it before. Yeah, look, I'm not against the project. I like the project. I held the project for a long time. It's just right now it's heavily underperforming. We're in a bull run. It's not bullish because the news are extremely bearish for it. So do you want to be holding on to a project that is extremely bearish, right? I would say for the short term. Not right now. Alejandro Ruiz. Oh, dude, I can't remember. I don't have the list, dude. You're going to have... I will post it on the Discord, I guess, right? We'll bring facts on the big dough. Yeah. Look, I'll tell you something also that happens with XRP, right? XRP has the biggest, or one of the biggest communities on Twitter, right? You see a lot of XRP stuff happening all the time. And a lot of people there are super bullish on XRP, right? And XRP's future. And that's fine. I don't have anything against that. But the whole point breaks when you see XRP, Bitcoin sneezes, and XRP just dies of the flu, man. Right? It just goes downhill incredibly fast. So if Bitcoin drops 10%, XRP is dropping 15, 16%, right? Some alts don't even drop that much, right? Some of these small cap alts don't drop that much. And you see XRP dropping like crazy, dude. It's the XRP holders are the quickest to jump ship. So, I don't really... I've held the project for over 2 years. I don't like it that much anymore. I've gotten better profits elsewhere. But, You know, it could pop. Yeah, you know, it can. I'm not against it. I told you guys, it can do a lot of stuff, right? It's a good project, a solid project. But right now they have problems. The SEC is a big problem. Until they shake that off, I'm not going to touch that, right? So once the lawsuit news start to come out, of the lawsuit, and we start getting leaked information as to like where the lawsuit's going, how it's being handled, what Ripple has presented, what the SEC is presenting, like more or less what the arguments are. Like, we're going to be able to make better informed decision as to where the lawsuit's going to go. And until the lawsuit happens or it's settled, I believe we might see some fluctuation in price, but it might not be bullish all the time. Alright, so that's it for XRP. Let's start doing the analysis. There's nothing here happening on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. And that is my honest opinion on what I think about XRP, right? Because I held it for a long time, bro. Why is it not adjusting automatically, man? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI. Lower point. Negative, more negative, right? Sorry, I didn't want to anchor it there. I wanted to anchor it here. I wanted to get rid of this one. There we go, man. I tripped. So it's all good for XRP right now, right? I like it. It's okay, but I don't think it's going to go too high right now, right? It did hold support at 26,692. So we know we have very good supports here for XRP. It's a lot of support going down though, right? So at least that should be okay. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart. High, low, low, high, low, high. There is bearish divergence hidden. So action to the downside, what do? We dropped lower, right? And on that drop, we are going higher on the MACD, right? So high, higher. Hidden bearish divergence. Price action potentially to the downside again. And look what's happening. We're going down, but we're holding support where we're supposed to 27,911. Where did we close at here? 27,904. So 0.00007. So, like a fraction of a cent, right? Anyways, had a low, nothing here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there's a lower point. I'm not going to call anything bullish for XRP right now. That is it. We're hitting the 20, rejecting it. We had hidden bearish, so again, giving a little bit more strength to that resistance, moving down, trying to find support. We'll see what happens when we hit the 20 again. But again, I'm not super positive for XRP right now anyways. Litecoin at $143.76. John Doe, what's up? Bad news for XRP may cause an external issue. Yeah. Litecoin rejecting the previous high of 100% that we had somewhere back here. Remember, we haven't shifted the fibs. But that's fine because we're looking at this previous high. We did break it. We didn't go to the 1618. We're rejecting. That's fine. And right now we just went up, hit that same area, and now we're rejecting it. Right? Look at that. Hit and rejection. What are we doing here? We have the hidden bullish still there. And what do we have here on the MACD? It's neutral at 52.55. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Four-hour chart, sorry. High, low, low, high. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative. Low, and there's such a hard point. Nothing bullish. Nothing else bearish happening. Neutral at 47. Below the 20. So if we reject the 20, we know we could try to drop lower. If we get above the 20, we could try to get to 164.78. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. I mean, we have immediate overhead resistance, right, at 146. So very close to where we had that other support. So low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, and there are sides fine. To here, we don't have a lot going on. I'm gonna look here for 0.4, 0.25. High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. There's nothing bearish right now. There's nothing bullish either. So when we don't find something on the time scale that we're looking at, we go one scale lower, right? So we're going to go to the 30-minute chart, see what we have there. We hit the 20, right? We actually hit the previous 100% here at 146.27, the previous 100% at, that was June 2019. Hit that area, rejected, closed below 20, the 20 being resistance. We tried to get another crack at it, failed, and now we're dropping down. Now we're trying to get another crack at the 20. We'll see what's happened when we get there, but, you know, it's really not doing a lot. Oh, lower. Negative or negative. Low on the other side. Lower point. Right. The only thing I can see is some hidden divergence here. So from here to here. Right. And then from here to here. Went down, hit the 20, and are taking a pop. That's it, right? Bouncing at the 20. We don't have anything else going on with Litecoin. It's very much going to follow Bitcoin. So that's, you know, that's all I'm going to do for it. Let's go to Binance. Let's go on the daily. What? Weird. Weird stuff happening. Chocobo Coco. Link being pumped. We don't know yet. We haven't done Link. Let's get through Binance, then we'll do requests. How many people are in the house? Oh, 140. Wow, that's insane. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Definitely consider subscribing. We're trying to grow this channel. We just started growing exponentially since Bitcoin started going nuts. I'm really happy. I thank you all for the support. You know, we've been able to do some really, really cool stuff. So if you want to help us out, go hit the like, go hit the sub, go hit the bell. AD, what's up? Thank you for being here. Trying to see if we can get to 250 today, right? To 1,250. We're at 1,149, I think. 1,151. So we still have 100 subs to go, more or less. 99 subs with beer on the wall. I'm not sure we're going to get 100 tonight. Bitcoin's kind of like meh. So a lot of people are like, yeah, it's just swinging. So, don't go to subscribe. Thank you, man. John Doe, he's subbed. Thanks, man. What are all these candles with Binance? Yeah. Elio Barranco. We already did Bitcoin earlier, man. I'll redo it again later on, but I'm gonna wait, man, because I just finished it. That was the first coin I checked out. So if you rewind to the beginning of the stream, you're gonna check it out right now. I'm moving through the other stuff that we have to go through, and then once I finish, I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin. So great stuff happening right on the daily. Again, high-low, not a lot happening here, right? Not a lot happening here. Last thing was bearish. We had some hidden bullish. We're trying to take a pop on that. Again, moving with Bitcoin, red candle, trying to go green right now. Above the 20 still. Large wicks, right? Lots of spinning tops. For some reason, Binance, calculated by TradingView, has a lot of wicks. So, you know, it is what it is. It's always like that. Super wiki. So, 4-hour chart. Hidden bearish. We moved down. We knew that yesterday. We went down to the 20. Again, potential target, remember? On divergences, we always, if we're below or above, the first target is the 20, unless we have some horizontal resistance or supports, or we have some fibs. But you know, usually we try to go for the 20, right? That median. So we went and hit that 20 and taken a pop. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Nothing here. Neutral at 55.55. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Yeah, no worries, Elio. Narwenda. How about XTZ? We haven't looked at XTZ yet. I'll I'll put in the link. We do have a format to request coins. Try to keep to that format. It really helps me out a lot. Right. This is Tom. Thanks for the sub. Okay, buddy. Hi there. Tom BTZST. Sure, man. We haven't looked at it, okay, buddy, but we'll look at it, right? I've written it down. I mean, I do keep a list of what we gotta check. So, let's keep it going. Binance. On the 1 hour. High, low. High, low. Positive, less positive. Nothing here that I can call. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other side, lower point. So nothing here either, man. Again, it's looking a little bit like... what's that other project that we looked at? Sorry, let me go back to the 1 hour real quick. Litecoin, right? That didn't have a lot going on for it. Oh wait, this does have some hidden bullish. Upon closer inspection of the play, we've noticed that we have hidden bullish, Captain. Did Litecoin have this one and I just completely missed it? Maybe. Yeah, it could be a possibility, right? 37.74, 36.21. I mean, let's go back to Litecoin real quick. Did I miss that? Yeah, I did. No, we do have this island. That's why I didn't miss it. Binance doesn't have that island, so it's all good, man, right? Anyways, neutral at 54.72. So again, pumping on that divergence, hidden. We don't have anything else happening right now. Let's go check out. Some other stuff. Anton, best all to throw for next month. I'm not sure what you want to throw. Carlos Munoz, should I sell or buy more? I'm not even sure what coin you're asking about. We're looking at Binance, so if you can give me more information, and I cannot give you advice. Only you can determine whether or not you should buy or add more to your position. Thank you for asking, though. Right? Again, that would be considered financial advice. I cannot give you any of that. Start looking at the requests. First request we had was Telcoin. It was Telcoin, yeah. Oh snap! It doesn't trade in any of the major exchanges. It's KuCoin. I guess we're gonna go to KuCoin to Tether, right? We're gonna check that one out. Where's Tel at? Let's go on the daily. It's taking a massive rally, so we're not gonna have any technicals here. On the daily, it's going higher on the RSI. It's going higher on the MACD. Everything's good for it, right? The only thing we can do is try to fib this, and if I go way back here, we're not gonna get good fibs. So what I'm gonna do is try to hide that. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna have to go from here, man. And I'm gonna have to go with the fibs are up here. I'm gonna have to go with that as a high, then this as a low. Right, that works for now. Retracing over 100%, trying to hit for that 1618. We'll see where we're at right now. We're very, very close to the previous high. Again, moving down, we might find support. Try to go higher. Again, not a lot I can call for this project because it's just already left the station, right? This project already went parabolic. So if you try to catch, this is what happens for a lot of people, right? You have to be on this train before it leaves the station. If this train's already going up and you try to catch it, you really don't know if you're getting the end, right? If you're just getting the end of that massive rally, and you could be in for a strong pullback, and that's when people get wrecked. So, you know, be careful if you're going to get into this train. What's up? You're back from St. Louis. What's up, Steve Moore? Children of the Corn. I just want the coins. It's fine, bro. You can get more coins. Virat. Is this a dip for Bitcoin? It looks like it, right? We already looked at the Bitcoin earlier. We're going to look at it again. Lucas. When day you think Bitcoin exceeds 41K? When technicals are there for it. I can't give you a specific day, man. We just need to have technicals for it, right? Bitcoin's a symmetrical triangle. Could break either way, yes. Right. OXT. Sure, oxytocin. Kidding, I wrote it down. We're going to do it later. Oh, cool. Thank you, children of the coin. I'll change your tires, but change your life. Thanks. Alright, I guess that works. I'm not sure. I hope it's far better, man. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. This mining recommended. You ask Jake. He mines. I don't mind. Yes, TX. Someone already requested that. We're going to look at it. You're going to keep on going. Anyways, 4 hour. Higher, positive, more positive, high, low. Bearish divergence on the 4 hour, right? Probably part of the reason that we're struggling to go higher. That's this bearish divergence, right? Moving down, hitting that where we're bought still at 73, but hitting this 100% and the previous, from what we determined to be the previous high, right, that we're anchoring to, because we had a massive week at the beginning that I was ignoring because I'm not sure it was bad data, right? Anyways. Children Corn, I'm your late night crypto news. I've been here for weeks secretly. Awesome. Thank you for being here weekly, and thank you for coming out of of lurking in the shadows and joining the daylight. Man, watch out. If you're a vampire, you might burn. Ultimate best 10k. Dude, I cannot tell you where to invest 10k. Do your own research, Anton. That's the best thing you can do. Right on. So we had some hidden bullish happening first that helped us rally here on the 4 hour, and here we could have said, yeah, there's continuation, right? So when I said once the train leaves the station, you don't want to get into it. You only get into it when you believe there's some technicals that warrant a continuation, right? So for example, here you had this nice rally, hit the 20, found support, popped, hit the last area, right? Retraces, usually go the 236, snap, dude, what do I have in my fib set here? Let me go to daily real quick. 236, then I have my 382, then the 50, then the 618, and then the 786, then the 1618. So, resistances, when you want to trade them, are basically, most retraces happen between the 382 and the 618, right? So we hit that area, we retrace, and we're finding support, right, with hidden bullish. So it gives us an idea we could try to bounce. We went up, hit resistance again, rejected a little bit, but the next candle really went up. So I guess here would have been a good possibility to go in. We also managed to get a cross of the MACD over the signal line, right? Which again would have indicated a potential good in. But remember, this was anticipated almost by this candle. So if you would have gone in this cross, you probably would have just written this slightly on the cross. Then wait for that pullback and then, you know, hoping to hold support at the 20 basically. But yeah. I'm not sure why Nightbot view deleted messages. Wow. Thank you, Nightbot. I'm not sure what you're doing, but patrolling the channel and keeping it safe. Let's keep it rolling. Right, that's all we have here, right? That's all I'm going to be calling for this day. I probably even forgot to anchor in the 4. No, I didn't. I'm happy. Yay. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Right, the 1 hour chart. High, higher. Positive, more positive. Great. High, low, high, high, low, high. Great. Nothing there. Here though, right? On this shorter, sweeter look here, you're gonna see that we're going higher. Oh, no, we're going higher, man. What are we doing? Well, we have some bearish divergence for action to the downside. Right, move down, try to pop. Fail to go higher than the previous high. Drop more, right? Look, we're creating hidden bullish as that's happening, right? Native or native, low on the RSI to a lower point. So with that, we're looking for that potential action to the upside. We try to rally again, but wait, are we going higher? Yeah, we did manage to go one higher, so that's fine. That's okay. The only thing is that we have some bearish divergence still. Not higher than the previous high. Wow. Where did this close? Where is this open? By the way, this project's worth 0.0008 cents. Almost nothing. So we open at 0.00084. Close at 0.00844. This is 845. So this is very slightly lower. So I'm not gonna call anything bearish there. But that's gonna be it for this, man. I'm not gonna go more into detail into this project. That's it for Telly, dude. I'm not even sure what this project does. I never looked at it. We'll see. Let's keep it rolling. Let's go to the next coin, STX, man. A lot of coins to move through. Oh, damn. That's steep. I don't like this. It just went from like good positive momentum to almost nothing in like that. It didn't even drop that much. That's crazy, bro. It lost all of its positive momentum in a heartbeat. So high to lows, right? So we have that bearish divergence for action to downside. I forgot to de-anchor from the 1 hour chart. Weird. Yo, 176, 168 people watching, 176, something like that. Thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Don't be shy, say hi. Michael de Souza, eu não falo português. English, please. Not sure what you're typing. Moving down, low, high, negative, more negative, I think. Yep, slightly more negative. Some hidden bullish divergence here on the daily, man. That this could bring some potential stalling, but remember, we're just making this on this day. So if this goes green more, this will reduce, and then we're gonna be screwed. Where do I live? Mexico City. That's where I live. OXT USD. Yeah, I already wrote it down, Jason. It is going to be done. It's the last coin I have on queue. Right, if you see that queue right there, OXT is at the end. It's already there. Chris Jones, you're welcome. Uni Bright, sure, man. Hey, hi to Portugal. Mexico City's fine. I live in a good area, so I have no complaints. Anyways, neutral at 58. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, higher, positive, more positive. High to higher. Nothing here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. I'm not going to call anything here on the 4 hour because it really doesn't have a lot going on here on the 4 hours. The only thing we could do is try to get some fibs out here for this short term on this project. I do believe we've made a valid retrace already. So let's go low to high. I can see this is the previous high. What do we retrace once? If I consider the other one the high, are we retracing? Yeah, we're also retracing. That's fine. We go to that high, and as you can tell, we're trying to stay above that 236. And I'm actually going to adjust this to there. And yeah, we're right there. I'm just going to adjust in the bottom now. There we go. Alright, so we're trying to get above that 236, which is fine, and head to that 20 moving average. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher. That's why I said we don't have anything. Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher point. Neutral at 48.11. Let's go to 1 hour. See how our fibs are behaving here, man. Right? We have bearish divergence here. So remember, just because we don't have anything on one time scale does not mean we don't have it in another time scale. We just don't want to force data on a chart. When you force data on a chart, you're just fooling yourself. Right? That's the truth, right? When you start forcing data on a chart just to make it suit your narrative, you're like bound to get wrecked. The data should be presenting itself easily, right? You should be able to discern what you have without having to like really like go and hunt for it and make it fit. Eu não entendo nada. Sorry, bro. Vitalik Buterol. Anyways, bearish divergence, strong action downside. We're moving down. Low, lower. Negative, less negative. Low, lower. We don't have anything against our side. Just seems the MACD price action to the upside. We get above that 236. We actually get above the 20 also. Finding support there. And that's pretty good, right? Short term, we have some hidden bearish, unfortunately. And that's what's putting that sideways motion. Remember what I said, guys? We have hidden bearish or hidden bullish. First, it's sideways motion for both, and then continuation, or at least in hidden bearish action to the downside, or in hidden bullish action to the upside. So, we're going there, right? Sure, DeVault's in the house. Thanks for being here, Joshua. Benton, congrats. Yeah, I remember when you asked, you told me you had your wedding money there, and your fiance was also on board. Yeah, that's pretty interesting, man. Congrats, bro. Yeah, you're welcome, Joshua. I'm glad that you're tripling your money, and you're going to have an awesome wedding. Congrats on that. I'm not sure when you're getting married, but it was a risky move, and I'm happy that it's paying out for you. Just be smart. Remember to take profits, and again, congrats on getting married, man. Neutral 52.31, that's it. Again, so we have some potential movement down or stalling happening. We already got the stall. We do have strong bullish, so strong bullish does trump hidden bearish, right? It's stronger. So we could be going up, right? This stall could have happened already. Something that could happen is we could just keep on tracking there. I'll just keep on tracking. And we'll still have hidden bearish. Remember, hidden bearish is one of those things that you keep on having until you break above the previous high. So you just gotta keep on tracking it, right? It's not like, it's there and then it's no longer there. Unfortunately, it stays there for a bit. Kogalan, is Bitcoin crashing? Any predictions on Ethereum? We already talked about Ethereum and Bitcoin at the beginning of the stream. First two coins we did. You can check them out or wait for me to finish the list that I got to go through on requests that have come in from people watching, and then I'll talk about them again. DOT. Let's go check out DOT. Right on. So, the dot. Where's it at? Right, we had bearish divergence, right, at the 2618, right, that we're retracing a lot, man. We're hitting good targets. It was a good day for DOT. 10.23% gains already today. Yesterday dropped 9%, so it's gaining what it lost. Do we still have divergence? 478, 44. Yep, we still have divergence till right now. Don't have anything else here. I'm going to be reserved on this very, very short term here. Overbought at 72.17. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Right, the 4 hour. Low, lower, low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. That's good. So up here, smell high, higher, positive, more positive, higher. Great. Look here, just it's very minor, but it's there right now, and it is strong bearish divergence, right? High to low, or positive less positive, and high to low on the other side, right? Overbought at 70.06. Being overbought with strong bearish divergence could be a catalyst for action to downside, but we have immediate support at the 2618, right? Trying to see what we're going to do there. Benton, I cannot give you advice like that, man. Like, I cannot tell you whether or not you should go onto DeFi, man. Gonna be looking at ADA, two more projects after this one, right? Or one more project. It's DOT, Link, and then ADA. Steve, comp, invest. I cannot tell you whether or not to invest, bro. But we can look at comp. I don't think it's been requested yet. Right, that's it for the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour DOT. Oh, we had bearish divergence strong. What do? Move down. Yay, we were doing the move. So we move down. What do we create? Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish fraction to the upside. Yay. We're moving up. Great. It's there. Right, so there's that bearish divergence strong again against the MACD and the RSI, and with that we're looking for potential movement down. We're coming down again. We're trying to hold on to support at that 2618. That is at like 14.48, and really trying to hold on to that. I do hope we hold on to that. If we break, we do have support at the 20 coming down. That's at 13.75, but it'd be better if it tries to hold on here and try to pump again. Neutral at 58.28, 58.58 on the RSI now. For dot. Let's go to link. A link to the past. The Legend of Zelda. Link, here we go. I'm not sure if this is the link chart that we look at, man. Is this the link chart that we look at? Could this be the link chart that we look at? I'm gonna actually go and have another link. Look. Oh, I gotta put them together. It is. Oh, I have another one. What am I looking at right now? Link up. Oh, this is link up. Sorry, man. Why did I open link up, dude? There you go. Is this the chart we're looking for? I doubt it, man. Again, some of my charts accidentally got mixed up with some bad actors, meaning I accidentally delete them. And then I have to look for them. Because we're looking at some link charts, just not this one's, right? I know because they should be having the freshest data there. So it's gonna be this one then. Yeah, it's at the end because I closed it accidentally, I guess. Opening it. What? Why do I not have a link chart with data on it? I was like, I believe we looked at link earlier. And it's not longer there, man. That's weird. Why do I not have a link date chart? Weird. So we're gonna go with this chart. It's weird because I was positive that we have a lot of data for link, and we have looked at it a couple days ago. So maybe I accidentally closed it. I'm not even sure. I'm gonna have to look at the charts that I have and see which one it was, but we'll do it later. Love Zelda? Yeah, I used to love playing Zelda. It was a really good game. High, low, positive, high, low. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. What is this sorcery? Is there anything here on this chart? Navi. Help. Hey, listen. Isn't that what like Navi used to tell you on the Nintendo Ocarina of Time? 57770. What is this? 7228. 71. Yeah, we have some bearish divergence, but not by a lot, right? I mean, we can feel like this is really. We could get rid of this really quickly. So I'm just gonna leave this on the daily. It's just barely there, man. And this, you know, yeah, just be careful. It's there. We could lose it, right? Ethan is doing better. Oh, I'm glad that Ethan is doing better. I'm kidding, man. Okay. Right on. So that bearish divergence. Let's go to the 4-hour. Higher, positive, more positive. High on there, such a higher point. Overbought at 82.35. It doesn't have anything bad here. Right, it looks okay. There's really nothing I can look at. Low, high, positive, more positive. High on the higher point, right? But it could break on the fact that it's overbought. Maybe the 1 hour. And I'm gonna throw fibs for this in a second. You know, I realize there's no data on this chart. I was positive that we had another link chart that we had looked at, but for some reason it's not here. I'm gonna have to go look at a couple streams and see which one it was. I will just go to there. I mean, I don't want to have data going over, but you know, we're definitely going higher. But if I just go like that, I'm going over the data, and it just looks messy. So I'll keep it here right now and say, look, we have strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Sitting bought at 69.78, and again, primary target right now would be the 20. That 20 being at $20, and $20.02 right now, $22.16. Very nice for Link, right? Dude, we had other Link charts. Which one it was, dude? I'm gonna open a couple real quick. So Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitstamp, and now I'm gonna check those out towards the end. So it was this one. Found it. See, I knew we had a Link chart with a lot of data in it, so important that we look at that one because we had fibs. So we had there's divergence, move down. All right, fine. Hit the 20, popped. 139, 1.5, so slightly higher also. And then, like I said, just here in the short term, right? Higher. Again, I hate going over the data, but just gonna make this work right now. 153, 18. High low. Bearish divergence, right? Potential action to the downside. 4 hour, again, like I said, it looks clear. We had divergence to here. Obviously, it didn't play out. Kept on pumping. Kept on pumping. We get rid of that. That's fine. You know, that's why we keep on looking at the charts. Then here, short term. This from the 1 hour. Go back to the 1 hour. I command you. Right on. Oh, snap. I left it on the daily. That was my bad. So what do we have here, right? We went higher. We went higher, and that's fine, right? Again, above that 20. Very nice. Now, where are we going to go, man? Is this all-time highs for this? I think so, right? At least on this chart it is. Maybe in other chart it isn't, but in this Link chart it is all-time highs. So we're going to have to change our fibs quickly. Or not right now. Until we start retracing, we're going to be able to change our fibs. But it's going to be interesting once we change our fibs, because we're really going to get new retrace areas for Link. Potential retrace areas for Link. And we want to know where those areas are at, because they're important. Costa, anyone know how to fix Bybit chart? Lol. I'm not sure, bro. I don't use Bybit. Thank you for asking, though. Again, guys, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Be awesome. So what's going on here, dude? 22, 24. It could still go up, right? I mean, just have some bearish divergence in the 1 hour. It doesn't mean we get a crash. We can still go on pumping. It's going to be good. All right. So again, not super worried. We do have the bearish divergence. All I'm saying is if we could move down, we could move down to this area. Maybe even the 20. The 20 being at 20.01. All right, so it's good. Not super worried for it right now. Again, breaking below the previous high. Yeah, we could be looking at another retrace happening and maybe get better anchoring points. But for now, it's fine where it's at. I'm not super worried about Link. Let's go. Check out other projects. Nothing. The Extreme W. The Extreme W here. This one. The potential double bottom. Yeah, well, I guess we could look at it. I'm not sure how much difference between one and another. I don't look at Link often unless you guys are request it, right? So it could be that there is a double bottom here. Let's see percentage wise. Yeah, we're gonna be within a percentage point that we can do this. Yeah, definitely, right? It's 0.9. It's like 1%. So yeah, I'll give you that, man. That is a double bottom there, and we'll acknowledge it as such. One butt cheek of the double bottom. It's actually not a butt cheek. This is like an atom and atom double bottom, by the way, right? But it looks like butt cheek. And then we're gonna get a line that's gonna go on from here to here. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful, man. I like that. That works. So, double bottom, right? Confirmation line where we break. We did break above that area. Came back, touched it again. As support, and then really just burst through. Now, I'm gonna have to bring my little book of knowledge, because there is a percentage retrace that we look for after a double bottom, particularly when it's an atom, and I don't have it in my mind. It should be around 30-something%. I think for an atom. But I'm gonna have to open this real quick and just confirm it, because there's like Adam and Eve's have different retraces. If you're in a bull market or a bear market, Adam and Adams, you know, Eves and Eves, or Eves and Adams. They all have different retraces, but, you know. Right, so double bottom Adam and Adam, right? This is what I'm looking for right now. And Adam and Adam, as you can tell, is 2 sharp points. Usually people would put them as like, you know, V's or V-shaped. But it's 10 out of 23 in the ranking, so it's a good possibility of playing out. And the average rise is about 35%, right? That's what we're looking for. Average rise 35%, right? And that's in a bull market. So I told you it was around 30 something. I just need to confirm. Just look at a 3% rise. Where is it at, man? We already went over that, right? That 33% rise would have been here. So this line here. Oh, fudge. I didn't pick it. More or less around this area. Should be our target. And we're obviously exceeded it, right? So this is a target for the double bottom. Yeah, very good eye, man. I didn't see this double bottom when I was looking at the previous time. So good stuff, man. Girth. Sure, man. We'll look at the GRT. Litecoin. I already did Litecoin Hunter. It was the 4th coin that I checked out. If you rewind to the stream, you're going to find it. Otherwise, just wait for me to finish the stream, and then I'll do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin again, because those are the requested ones. Right? So for recaps, I'll do them again, right? Bitcoin going up again. Great stuff, man. Making sure I'm not missing any requests here. Kyle W. You're calling a huge dump? Go to the restroom. Unibright, yeah, I think after Unibright, that's the only request. I think I'm getting them all tonight. I'm starting to get better at this. Is BTCS on the list? Yes, it's actually after Link. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4th coin after Link. So right now it's ADA up next, right? Mark, hey, why am I not rich yet? I'm not sure. There's many reasons why you're not rich. Maybe you're wasting money, or you haven't invested enough, or you're not old enough. I'm not sure, dude. There's plenty of reasons why you're not rich. Comp's gonna be there, man. It's there's a lot of coins to go to comp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 coins to get to comp, right? Well, I'm gonna check it out. Just gotta get to it, right? Frosty, it's about time to get in at 36. Dude, Ben, it's a weird question to ask. If it goes to 100,000, was it about time to get in at 36? But if it goes down to 20,000, is it going to be a bad time to get in at 36, right? You got to make up your own mind, bro. You got to like know where you want to go in, have a strategy, have a plan, have an entry point, have an exit strategy, which is the most important thing, right? And then execute it. Talked about XRP. I already gave those, Andrija. I'll do them again later on. I'll do XRP also on the recap. Thank y'all for coming in. You're so kind, guys. If you like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. I don't like XRP. I like XRP. I don't have anything against it. I actually used to hold it a lot, Dogwild. I just don't have any more right now because I sold it. Because it wasn't doing good. And I put it into something that was doing good, and it's doing better than if I would have kept it at XRP. But I don't have anything against the project. I actually like what they have on the background, just not what's happening right now. ADA. USD. There we go. What? Oh, here it is. It's like, why did it open up a stock? Right, ADA. Where are we at, guys? You know, we're in a freaking channel, right? So no Ethereum. I already did Ethereum, dude. I did it earlier. That was the second coin I did in the stream. I'm going to do it again after I finish the list. Because, you know, or maybe halfway through the list, I'll do a quick recap. It's just like a quick run through, but not much in detail, right? I already did it in detail at the beginning. I'm not going to do it in detail again, because that just takes time from the people that were here earlier, right? So, I do appreciate that you're here. I really like it. If you want to look at it, you can go to the beginning in detail. I'll run through it again, but I'll just be really quick and not in detail, right? But just give me time to get through some coins first. There's a lot of people that are requesting coins, and I also got to give them the time they deserve because they were here earlier. I'm muted? No, I'm not muted. I can see I'm not muted, dude. See, I talk, and it moves. Yay! It's there, see? Not muted. I know. It's all good, no worries. Anyways, what are we doing on ADA? We called for it a couple days ago. Consolidation. Right, we're moving sideways. Look at this beautiful stuff that we're doing yesterday. What do? Run the channel. Right? 3388 all the way down to actually the 1618 here at 2691. But we're back above in the middle, dead smack in the middle of this channel. 3388 to 29. Really, it's not doing a lot, right? High, low, positive, high. There's a lower point, neutral at 64.41. Again, it's like Bitcoin. Are you gonna let me come out and play? Doesn't know what to do, right? It's like, you know, that kid that like doesn't know if he wants to keep on playing games or go to the restroom. You see him like standing there trying to like piss his pants. That's what this is doing, right? It's just like bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down, the same motion. So, come on, someone should just give this a kick and help it go somewhere because it's just stuck. Low, high, negative, plus negative, low, and there's a higher point. High, low, positive, high, low. There's really nothing here, dude. Neutral at 52.49. Let's go to the next one. Simon, we're doing ADA right now. Thank you for asking. Do I think ADA will pump soon? Dude, it's stuck sideways. I already established that. I'm not sure if it's gonna pump or drop right now because it's sideways motion. We're consolidating sideways. We're not really doing a lot for ADA. So look, the bearishness did play down. We found support, taking a pop, but we're again in the middle. Look at most of the movement over the last couple of days, right? And I did this the other day as a quick exercise to show you guys, and so it's highlighted. A lot of the moves are in that range. Most of the moves since January the 6th are here, man, and they're all sideways motion. It's really not doing a lot. Did I do dot? Yeah, I already did dot. It should have been the 8th coin that we did today. Someone told me to timestamp. I'm not even sure if I can do that while I'm live, so I'm sorry for that. I wish I could timestamp stuff as I'm live. That would be really cool, because you know I could just like do timestamp and then write XRP or whatever, and it just go on the bottom of the video. That would be amazing. But I cannot timestamp right now, and I think I can add a stream marker. I'm not sure if that works as a timestamp, but I gotta experiment with that because I haven't clicked it. I'm not sure what's gonna do. That was the 8 coin. I'll do a recap of ADA again after I finish some coins, right? So don't worry. Sorry, it wasn't ADA that you asked. You asked for DOT. So I'll do a recap of DOT. Right. Sideways motion, right? Bearish divergence is moving down. Did we pop slightly more? Yeah, it looks like we might have popped slightly more, but probably just to make more bearish divergence. We're not really doing anything special with Cardano, right? My buddy Steve would probably be sad that his magical coin. Steve is an ADA evangelist. He wants everyone to join the cult of Cardano. But it's not going anywhere, man. Lower, and 17024, slightly more. Negative, low, and there's a lower point. Nothing bullish. Maybe in the shorter half hour we have something going up, hitting the 20 and rejecting. So really it's not doing a lot. And as you can tell, the moves in the MACD are also getting subdued, right? Like we're not getting these massive momentum swings. They're just like, you know, tiny. All that tells us is that we're more or less tightening here, right? Imagine this as being an insanely large triangle. I'm not gonna pinpoint this right now. I just want to highlight this as a potential huge triangle that this is doing. I'm actually not even going to leave it here because I don't like it that much, but again, that's where we're seeing that tightening happening. Right, the half hour, just to make sure we're not leaving anything behind here. I just want to go here real quick. Zoom in a lot, go here. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low, and there's a lower point, nothing bullish. Low, lower, negative, less. Yeah, some bullishness here. On the half hour, we have some bullish divergence. I'm just gonna call it medium for now. That's gonna be it, man. Medium bullish divergence. There we go. Pumping. High, low. Low to high. Low to high. There we are, man. Potential action. Downside. We went down, hit that 20, taking a pop. No gold, IDK, I hope you get rich. I'm not sure who you're asking or who you're telling that, but thank you, Doggold, for wishing someone to be rich. That's good. Those will want to check Ren and Stimpy. Sure, man. I'll throw it on the list. There's a proper request to go and ask for coins. A lot of people are starting to use it, and I'm glad. I've seen it a couple times. Try to go with the proper request. It really helps me. Look at that, Joaquin. Bitcoin dominance going down. Alts stay up. Not sure yet, right? Total market cap was dropping as well. That means alts are also dropping. It could be that just money moves out of Bitcoin, right? What happens if imagine this scenario, like a couple billion Bitcoin, but their alts remain the same. Alts are not going up; they're just getting dominance because Bitcoin's losing money, right? Volume. So just because Bitcoin's losing dominance does not mean that alts have to go up. It could just mean that Bitcoin's is losing money and alts are remaining the same, right? Just also take that into consideration, right? And dominance does not necessarily correlate to price action to the upside or downside, right? It just means how much of the market you're holding. Yes, the more market you hold, the wealthier you should be. But we've seen it plenty of times, right? Bitcoin has performed better when it's losing dominance than when it's gaining dominance. Just a thought, right? Food for thought. 88, that's it, dude. Let's move on to the next one. Wave. The wave. Good evening. Did you talk about XLM? No, I haven't done XLM. Darn, Vern. I don't think anyone has asked for XLM yet, so I'll put it in the list. Just try to use the proper format. Second bear market in a week. Ever panic? Yeah. Wave. I hope this is the wave you want to catch, because this is one I found waves. So, low to high, bearish divergence, moving down. I'm not even sure when we drew this, but you know, that's what it has. Low, lower, negative, less, negative. Strong bullish divergence, sir. That usually just means that we're going to get action to the upside. And what are we doing? Pumping a little bit? Yeah, man. There we go. A little lower here. So we're going higher. What are we at here, man? 957. At 1. Great. This is 0.0957. This is 0.1. So low. High. High to low. Hidden bearish, right? Some potential stalling. And we're hitting it right up fib node at the 382. Which is at $6.36 right now. Sitting at $6 and 38 cents. So we're trying to stay above that area, but we're struggling right now. We're taking a bounce at the 20, which is nice also. Let's go to the 4-hour wave. After wave, I'm gonna take a small break. I gotta get more eyes, so I can get more whiskey, because this one's dying out. So cheers, guys. Ren, yes, it's already on the list. The 4-hour. What are we doing here, man? Right, I can go with this one, I guess, right? Yeah, that works. I think I'm going to hate wave on the 1-hour chart for some reason. It's starting to look really crappy on the 4 hour. Not crappy that bad, you know, but crappy with gaps and you know, really weird looking candles, right? So you know, probably the 1 hour is going to be gappy, and gappy charts are not the best for sharding, but bearish divergence strong, moving down, right? Low, lower, more negative, low, lower, low, high, negative, less negative. That's it. Bearish divergence moving down, finding support at the 20. Great. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah, see all the gaps that it has? Not the best. Not the worst, but not the best, right? Oh, dude, we closed the week. We didn't look at the Bitcoin futures to see where they closed. I'm going to have to actually revisit that. Oh my goodness, we missed the futures. How do we know what's going to happen when we go back to the futures? To look at what Bitcoin's going to do. Bearish divergence, action to the downside, moving down. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. That's it. That's it, dude. It's getting above the, you know, what was this one that we said? The 382? Yep, 382. At 6.36. That's it. That's it for Wave, right? Trying to see if we have anything else here that I'm missing. Not sure. Just let me confirm here. 41.94. 42. 41, yeah. Low, high. Low, high. Negative. More, what was his native here? Oh, but we have this on. So that's it, dude. That's it for Wave. I'm not going to call anything else for it. Right. I'm going to be right back, guys. Just give me one quick second. Stick with me. It's still going to be fun and interesting. If you haven't done it yet, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Definitely sub if you haven't done it yet. We are growing this channel. We're growing this community. It's starting to be a really tight community. I like a lot of the guys that are coming in here. At least the ones that are becoming regular. Like Dogold, VV, viral videos, you know. All you guys are Mamba for life. It's here. Wow, Mamba, I didn't see your comments. Thanks for being here, man. John Doe, you know, everyone that comes here is starting to come here on a regular basis. I noticed some of the time, like when you come here, that you're a regular or you're starting to come here a couple times. So, thank you for being here. Before I go and get the eyes real quick and for the next whiskey, I'll shoot what's on the list. XTZ, BTZST, OXT, Unibright, RSR, DVT, COMP, GRT, REN, and XLM. That is what's coming up. AD's here in the house also. Yep. Oh, yes, for Uniswap as well, Mamba? Dude, I already did Link. You have to wait for a revisit for Link. But Uni I haven't done. I'll put it on the list. Thanks, man. John Doe, thanks for being here, man. Oh, dude, I'm not sure why the Nightbot timed you out, bro. I'm sorry. Yo, you're welcome, Dogold. I'll be right back, guys. Just let me get some eyes on. It's not gonna take me that long, so quick second. I'm back. Thank you for sticking with me through a small break today. It's Jameson's in the house. I like Jameson's. It's good. I wanted to get a change from the Scotch. Take a break. I love Scotch, but Irish whiskey is also really good, man. It really seems to hit the sweet spot sometimes. So. Going with Irish tonight. Yeah, I like Jameson's, dude. It's really good. I like just drink it neat or on ice. So today's James is neat, dude. I did have club soda in case I want to mix it, right? But I'm not gonna use it right now. John Doe, we're gonna look at GRT, dude. We do have it. It's on the list. So look, I'm not gonna skip the list. I'm just gonna look at it real quick because it's really far down the list. I just want to see how much it's pumping because a lot of times people come here and overhype them. I have two charts for GRT. I can't remember which one's the one we look at. Have this one and the one that's the graph. So I think it's the one that's the graph that we gotta look for. Oh, sorry. No, let me actually go on the daily. It's gonna make it easier for me to see. Yeah, it has to be the other one. The graph. Here it is. Oh, you're right. It's going up. 22.61% today. It's still going up, right? It's getting above a resistance at 0.39. Sitting at 0.4 right now. It's good. I'm going to come back to it when it's time for me to do it, man. I don't have a problem doing it. But there's people that have been requesting coins, bro. And, you know, they were here earlier to request them. So I have to go back and do those coins, right? Tezos, what we did... no, that's actually the next one. Tezos is the next one. Thank you for asking, Brian. Dude, guys, I try to keep it as fair as I can for everyone. Again, there's a lot of people that come in here. I do appreciate you all for coming in here and chilling and hanging out with me and looking at projects. But, you know, I cannot skip the queues, guys. It's how I keep it fair for everyone, right? GRT is legit. I'm not saying it's not legit. I'm just saying, you know, that we keep it in order for everyone, right? We keep it fair. The only way a coin can get skipped is if it comes with a tip, right? Like, if someone sends a tip, I would, yeah, definitely analyze that one and like skip it on the queue. But other than that, you know, if it's on the queue, it's on the queue, man. I mean, I'm gonna get through it until the point that I said no more coins, and then, you know, that's when I close the queue. But that's we still got coins to move through. Tezos on the daily, bearish divergence. Oh no, we moved down. Where to? The 618. Then we retrace back above the 50, and we're on our way back to get above. We're gonna have resistance here before we get to the 382 at 3.15. We're gonna have resistance here at 3.04. So that's gonna be interesting to see what happens when we get there. Now we do have bearish divergence right now developing on the daily. Right, just like that. Positive is positive, high to low on the RSI. So potential stalling and movement to downside, right? Very likely movement to downside on the bearish divergence. Tip him the currency you want. Ha, that'll be cool. I don't think the tipping things take all the I don't think the tip in the currency. I cannot take all currencies. Coinbase, I'm not sure what I can take on Coinbase. And then on CoinTrade, I think I can take most cryptos. I just don't have a lot of cryptos set up there. I have some cryptos set up there, but yeah. Chris Jones, just subscribed. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciate it. I'm here every night, guys, you know. Stay for as long as we can. All right. Wow, we're 1,183 subs. That's so cool. Our target for tonight is trying to see if we can get 1,250. I'm not sure if we're going to get to 1,250. That's going to be wild if we get there. Thank you guys for being here and being awesome supporters. If you're liking this, definitely hit the sub and the like, right? This is an awesome channel. We're getting a really, really cool community being built. Everyone's helpful. Like, no one's mean. At least no one that's in the chat's mean. And that is really cool because, you know, we want to have a community where people can actually come, chill, and learn. And, you know, talk about crypto without feeling discriminated, or like they're being excluded for not being part of a crypto cult. And this is a friendly place. I look at all cryptos with the same eyes, right? Am I PST time? No, I'm Central time. I come in at 9 Central. Thoughts on Goldman Sachs getting into Bitcoin soon? Great channel, thank you. Yeah, dude, I'm Howell. Yeah, what do you think is going to happen, bro? I mean, there's a limited supply of Bitcoin being mined. There's a limited supply of Bitcoin out there right now. So once they start buying, because they're going to be late to the party, they're probably going to want to buy a lot. What do you think it's going to do with the price, dude? The supply is going to get squeezed, right? And it's going to there's going to be a lot of demand, and they're just going to pump it, right? eToro run out of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Yeah, I heard something like that. I'm not sure if that was real, dude. No, but I heard something like that, right? Baldman Sachs is going to buy a lot. Thousands. Yeah, Baldman Sachs is going to take a lot of crypto, bro. But they were really anti-crypto, right? You remember Jimmy Damien, or whatever his name is? Damien? I can't remember. Daimler? Whatever. Damon? I'm not sure how to say his last name. But he was like super bearish on Bitcoin, right? It's like, no, that's bullshit, you know? God, now they want to get into it, like, 2 years later, right? Like, and I think Jake said it the other day, or someone else. Like, don't watch their hands, not their mouth, right? A lot of them are going to say a lot of things, but are going to be doing other things over here that you're not seeing, right? So you got to see the things that they don't want you to see, because that's the moves that are important. It's like magicians, right? They talk you, they tell you, look over here, and all of a sudden, boom, over here. AD, what's up? You just said I had to consider crypto. JP Morgan's working on the stablecoin. Yeah, that's going to be interesting whenever they launch that. AD, my friend got an email from eToro because using that platform. They told their users that there's limited purchases. Yes, I heard that there are limited purchases. They said that they're limiting the purchases because of the fluctuations in the market and don't want people getting wrecked. Not because there's a shortage. And that's what they're saying on their official story, though, right? So just keep that in mind as well. Jamie Dimon. Yeah, that's the guy, right? See, I know it's Jamie something. I just couldn't remember his last name. But thanks for clarifying, Jason. Let's keep it rolling, right? Next coin. XDZ. Let's do it. Bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Again, look at this. We still have it here. Yeah, we're pumping a little bit more. And it great at $2.84. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. We had bearish divergence, right? We still have it, I think. Let's see. Where are we at here, man? Let me remove this. I think we're getting rid of it. That's going to be cool. Barely getting rid of it, right? It's played down. Like, it's played down a couple times, right? It played here downside. That's fine. We played here downside. Found support at the 20. And then took that pop. And right now we're getting rid of this. So I'm going to get rid of this. The bearishness that we were looking for, it's no longer there, which is really cool. Neutral at 67.99, but again, it's just barely not there, right? This previous candle barely got above there, and actually you got to confirm, because it's really close, man. It's like in the horses, where you have to like take that snapshot of the last inches. Shopify! Hey, man, it's been about a minute. How are you? I'm good. How about you, man? How you doing, bro? What do we open at here? 284.9, and here we close at 285. 284, 285, going slightly higher, yeah. Very slightly, man. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence. Where do we go? Down. What do we create? Hidden bullish. Where do we go? Up. Great. This was last night, actually. We looked at this last night. You knew it could go up, right? So, you know, it was a possibility. We talked about it. Great stuff. Look higher. Right, some more hidden bullish. Again, Jesus. It's just pumping on hidden bullish, right? The bullishness is pumping it. But it's hidden from the eye of the beholder. And here we go, right? Also against the RSI. Negative more negative, low lower. Pump upside. We're getting it. Did we create some bearish? No. High higher, positive more positive. Nothing bearish here. Are we creating bearish now? Yeah, against the RSI, man. Against the freaking RSI, bro. Look at this high to low. I believe against the MACD we're cool, but I'm going to double check. 0132.0136.152. Yeah, we're good. Alan Fernandez. ¿Dónde compro? Argentina. Well, Bitso would be your best onboard exchange, Alan. So, if you want, I have a Bitso link. I'll put it on the chat. You can go there onto Bitso and join us on the Discord, Alan. I'll give you my reference link for Bitso. Alan, ve al Discord. La liga está en la descripción. Y en el Discord te mando mi liga para Bitso, ahí puedes comprar. ¿Vale? Great, so sorry about that quick Spanish burst. You already used Bitso. Well, go to another exchange then if you want to buy something else, because Bitso is limited in its options. Crypto channels will only grow from here like Bitcoin. I hope so, bro. ¿Hablas español? Yes, I'm in Mexico City. I speak Spanish. 100%. Thank you, AD. I was talking to Soka the other day, and I was telling him that I should start a State of Crypto Spanish, because there's not a lot of yeah. Well, now you know, AD. There's not a lot of Spanish channels out there for analysis. So there's like Tech with Catalina, but I don't think she does analysis. She just talks about, like, you know, news and stuff. But I'm really thinking about doing some Elio desde España, 6 in the morning. Wow. Thanks, guys. Congrats on 1K subs. Well deserved. Thank you, M. Howell. Think about doing a Spanish channel for crypto, because there's not a lot. So the thing is, I don't have time though, right? I just barely have time to come in and do this one, because I do have a daytime job that I keep up with, and then in the morning I do stocks. So if I can get this channel to grow a little bit more, to where it starts picking up momentum, like I can get some revenue ads, etc. flowing in, I might be in a better position to start a Spanish one, but right now I can't. Me interesa comprar, pero no sé en qué momento comprar. Me daría una pista. Dude, Alan, I cannot tell you when to buy. No te puedo decir cuándo comprar. I'm sorry about that. You can't understand Spanish? Yeah, it's awesome, bro. I mean, wow, a lot of people speak Spanish here in the chat. That's crazy. I didn't think there were that many Spanish speakers here. Tons of Spanish Bitcoin channels in the morning of CST. Right, but the thing is, are they doing analysis? Because I haven't seen a lot of people do analysis, right? I see a lot of people doing news and talking, you know, about crypto in general, but not doing technicals. So I'm not sure if they do it in detail or how much in detail they go, but it's interesting, right? Let's keep it rolling, guys. Tezos. Moving down, bearish divergence. That's what we have. Moving down, where can you get us to? The 20, if we fail to get above this previous high, which we've got very close to, we could be looking for a retest of that 20 again. Not super bearish on Tezos. It's looking good right now. It does have bearish divergence still, right? If it gets up here higher, it's still going to be creating bearish divergence here on the RSI. So watch out for it, but I'm not super bearish, right? It's an uptrend. It looks good right now. So keep it rolling. Tezos out of the way. BTCST, dude. A lot of people are requesting this. Is it like a magical coin project that I don't know of? Because a lot of people are requesting it. We're going to go to Binance Dollar. Should be the best one, I guess. Right. So I see why people are talking about it, right? It started like below 10 bucks. It's way higher. I'm going to ignore the first wick. This one, the first candle. And I'm going to consider it to be potential FOMO or something else, because it's really going to skew the data, right? So it's an outlier, right? That's what we're moving it out. CVC, sure, bro. Thank you, Tristan. I'll put it in the list, bro. We don't really have data here to infer anything, right? We're just going higher. Nothing on the MACD, nothing on the RSI. It's a very young project, so let's go to the 1 hour. Starting to post some data here. Again, I'm going to ignore the first candle. See how the graphs shift immediately. I think this is really nice fibs here, right? To try to like chart. So I like this. But all right, so we have fibs out. I'm going to do the opposite. I want to get targets to the upside, so I'm going to get rid of this fibs. Although retraces are more or less similar, right? And opposites. I want to get those fibs to go to the upside right now. All right, first things, we're coming higher. And here we're coming lower, right? High to low. So bearish divergence, strong action to the downside, moving down. Low, high, low, 38, 43, and 35. So lower, right? So here we're coming up high, and here we're coming up down lower. Thus we have some hidden bullish divergence. In the way we took that pop, but immediate resistance at the 20. Breaking down again, holding on to that 382. Again, why R3 is important? So once we establish that we're making a valid retrace, look how that 786 now, all of a sudden after the all-time high, or the high here on this project, at, what was this, $102, right now it's $75. Look at how it came respected here at the 786, right? Spot on hit. Break it, come to the next level, resistance, right? We flirted with the 618 until we finally broke the 50, holding on to it, finding support at the 382, right? Beautiful support there. Closes hitting spot on. So good stuff, right? Right. So that's it for BTCST. Thank you for asking about that coin. I didn't have it on my radar. It looks interesting right now. Again, it's a very young project, doesn't have a lot of history, so we cannot infer or look at a lot of data to really make informed decisions. You know, we can try to like guesstimate where the market could go. Again, retraces again, main retrace areas 618, 382. We could be looking for potential reversal and maybe try to climb back up again. We could do a deep retrace. That would be the equivalent of hitting the 786, but that would be hitting for the 236, right? So that's it for BTCST. Let's go oxytocin. OXT. I'm kidding, dude. I just call it oxytocin because it's fun, I guess, for me. Right on. What do we have here, man? Fibs. We have fibs out for it. Where are we above? The 786. We got above it on this candle nicely. We're kind of trying to probably make a run here to that 618 at 0.3595 right now, 28.75. That's a probably, right? It's going to depend on what we have here. High, low, positive, positive, high, there's a lower point. Nothing here. Some strong bullish still. We looked at this on the 31st. So if you're here on the 31st, or about there, we knew we had bullish divergence. Again, immediate resistance at the 786. Breaking above it, failing. Might have some bearish divergence here on the 4 hour. Neutral at 57.94. What is ETA? Sudar 1982. EOS, sure, bro. We can tell it's EOS still. The night is young. Oh, yeah, right. ETA, right? So you wrote ETA. That would be the exponential moving average. Right? Now you're wondering what does it stand for? It stands for exponential moving average. Right? It takes the previous candles, right? You have your simple moving average, and then you have periods for it, right? The 20, the 10, the 20, the 50, the 100, 200 moving averages. I'll show you real quick here. I have another chart for that. Right, see all this mess of lines? I'm gonna go here, they're gonna be clearer to see. So these two, the green and the light blue, are your simple moving averages. Then these two here, the yellow and the like darker blue, are your 50 simple and exponential, right? This here are my exponentials, and then here are my simples, right? On the blues, two purples. Then here I have my hundreds, my 200s. So the moving averages, basically the 20 moving average considers the 20 previous periods, right? So if you're looking at the daily, you're looking at the previous 20 days. And that's how it gauges where this point is going to be on the chart, right? Because it's looking at the previous 20 days. So you have data up here, data down here, and then it's just there, right? So simple moving average doesn't put any weight onto the periods. It just all assumes they're basically worth the same. But exponential moving averages put a little bit more weight on the recent price. So the longest price, right? So day 20 going back is worth less on the scale than yesterday, right? Or the previous candle. Because you're assuming that the newest candle or the latest candle or the previous candle has more weight because it's a trend that you're in, so you're adjusting for that trend. Again, they do diverge a little bit, right? Like when you see it here, they're all going up, but you see that difference happening, right? How they separate the exponentials, right? The green, the yellow, the orange, and the red, my exponentials, and then the simples, the blue, the darker blue, the purple, and then the violet or darker purple, right? Whatever you want to call them. But yeah, that's what your simples and exponentials are. They relate because you usually find areas of support there. Look, support here at the 200, or the 50, sorry, the 100, and then support here at the 200, right? So that's why they're important and interesting, right? Thanks for asking. I'm not going to spend any more time on simples and exponentials. There's a lot of information on the internet. Join on the Discord if you want more information. The Discord link's in the description. I can explain more in detail there. I can send you also some links that might help you understand. OXT. High, low. High, low, high, low. That's fine. Low, high, positive. Where are we at here? 2610. 23. Right. Just zoomed in here. Again, hunting for data because it's not really evident, but this is 0.0026. This is 0.0023, right? So high to low, right? Strong bearish divergence. Not against the RSI. Bought at 61.36. So strong bearish divergence might bring some pressure for the price to come down. This candle's still building. This candle could still pop, and we might get rid of this. So just be aware of that, right? Let's go to the 1 hour OXT. You been in Discord all day? Awesome, dude. Are you talking to Jake? That's amazing, dude. Jake's a good guy. He can help you out with a lot of stuff also. I'm not sure on the technicals, but he knows a lot of stuff on crypto, so he's really, really good help. And he also has a channel, so if you haven't checked it out, we're posting it yesterday. Go and show him some love stuff to his channel. He has a subreddit, and he does that. And he also has a store, or a crypto store. I just don't have the link immediately available. But he has a crypto store. And if Jake sends me that link, I'll definitely show it. But you guys can go buy merch on Jake's merch store and support him because he's really amazing. So, yep. You are waiting for bid. Have I recently covered ADA? Yeah, dude, I covered ADA already a couple coins ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins ago. Right. So, yep. Oh, look at Jake. He's there, dude. Right. So I'll show you real quick the link. It's teespring.com, and then you know, just go there, and this is Jake's store. He has some Bitcoin products or apparel, which are really interesting, right? Socks, leggings, you know. So everything's really good. So go check out his store. He has some really cool merch. If you're into like crypto merch and wearing crypto hats and stuff like that, go there, right? Right on. So XT, dude, the 1 hour. Higher positive pound. There's a higher point. Neutral at, sorry, bought at 67.51. Lower negative, less negative, dude. I mean, I hate the fact that the MACD is not updating, dude. It used to be that I used to zoom in and out and the MACD would auto adjust, and right now it's not doing it. I'm not sure if I click something. I rarely botch trading view. I'm not sure what I did. That I might have clicked something, so I'm not sure. 0012, 0010. Right. So look at this. Strong bullish divergence for price action to the upside. Oh no, we went up. So we knew there was a possibility, right? Strong bullish divergence brings action to the upside. So the reason it's important to just not look at what I say here on the stream, but you guys practice this. Because when I'm not here on the stream, you know, if there's hats, just assume they're probably hats. You should probably at least have one cap. That'll be interesting. Like a Bitcoin Jake cap. 39, 49, 30. Yeah, also here, very, very slightly going up. It's important that you guys get to like understand how to do divergences and stuff like that, right? That's why this is an educational channel. If you guys ask, I'll reply. Because when I'm not on the air, there's stuff that happens, right? And then you're like, oh, you said it was going to go up. And I said, yeah, it went up. But then we created some divergence, and that's why it's going down now, right? We created divergence when we were off the air, right? What program or graph am I using? I'm using TradingView. That's a platform. It's online and it's free. You can pay for it. I don't pay for it. I can do what I need with the free version. So if you want to use the free version, go for it, man. It's free. Don't pay for stuff that you can do for free until you need to upgrade to the paid version. There's no point. Look, the more data you put on a chart, the harder it is to read, and the more conflicting data you're gonna have, right? Because one indicator can tell you bullishness, another indicator can be indicating bearishness. Be aware of that. Local Bit Buddy, can you check out Ethereum? Yo, bro, I already checked Ethereum out at the beginning of the stream. It was the second coin. I'll check it out again on a recap. I did it detailed at the beginning. I'm not going to do it detailed when I go through it again. But right now, we just went halfway through the list. I'm going to do a quick recap of Bitcoin and Ethereum. I know there's other coins that you guys requested. I'm just going to do Bitcoin and Ethereum real quick. See where they're at. It's been 2 hours since we started. I want to know where they're at. And after that, I want to continue. Up next, Unibright, RSR, DVT, COMP, the girth, right? So the graph. REN, XLM, Uniswap, and CVC, I guess, and EOS. So let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin 36,634. What? We're at resistance at 20 still. When we were live, we were here, right? And you know, went up slightly, and resisted, and now we're resisting again. We really haven't done much since we were live. So on the daily, we didn't have anything, I think. Daily, yeah, neutral again, trying to get above that area. 4 hour, also, you know, didn't have much. Bearish divergence, that's it. And then on the 1 hour, we're cool, right? I just talked about it. So bullish divergence popping, rejecting 37 to 75. Might try to get another crack at it. I know we have one with fibs. I'm just gonna see where we're at regarding the fibs. There we go. Again, we're taking a bounce at that 50% and trying to again find new resistance. And if we move up, we can have resistance here at the 618 at 37,386, I think. Yeah, 37,365 or whatever that line actually is. Ethereum real quick. On the daily, nothing. Finding support at where we were supposed to find it, 1,153. We already established that, right? We're on a range. 4 hour. Bearish divergence moving down. Holding support at the 20, breaking back into the range, which is fine. And then the 1 hour. Again, hitting bullish, popping us up, finding resistance. We're actually moving above the 20. That's good. I like that. But we're really not taking off with strength. So I would really love to see Ethereum come down, hit support, and pump. And it's probably not going up because Bitcoin is failing to go up. And that could be a signal to the market that we're kind of bearish, right? Because Bitcoin failing to go up, it's what's stalling this because we had our cross. It's just not triggering, right? Anyways, that's it. Let's go to Unibright. Again, and remember, all coins dance to the tune of the mighty Bitcoin. Oh, Unibitite. That's why I can't find it, right? Is it going to let me delete? Yeah. There we go, man. On the daily, bearish divergence. We still have it, I think. Let me double check. 0.0265, 0.025. Yep, we still have it. We also have it against RSI, right? So what are we going to go? Downside. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, on the RSI, higher point, neutral. At 53.94, there's really not a lot going on there. Johnny in New York City, hey! I know you do price action. We get a chance to check Powell's conference call last night, specifically the part about crypto. No, I didn't, dude. Is it interesting? If you're in the Discord, send me the link. I'll check it out. Paki, what's up? Elio, you're welcome. I'm not sure why you're thanking me, but thanks. Paki, GRT going up. Yes, we already looked at it. We're going to look at it in detail later on. I just, like, you know, look really quick. I think Elio's, like, pissing out. Are you going to go to bed or something, Elio? I know you said it was early for you, but thanks for being here. I much appreciate it. Yeah. Right on. Again, girth, we're going to do in detail in a little bit. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4 more coins to go. Right on. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Oh, for the Bitcoin update? Yeah, no worries, bro. I thought you were like saying peace out or something, right? But BSV yet? No, we haven't. You gonna go to work? Awesome, bro. You work on Saturdays? That sucks, man. I'm off tomorrow. I haven't done BSV. You got queued. This is gonna take a while. Tristanilo, everyone had received. You never got your winnings. Check it with Jake, dude. You might have to update your. Was it a Discord wallet or was it the core wallet? Because if it's the core wallet, you have to leave the wallet open. it needs to load the full node, so it has to load the whole blockchain onto it, and then he'll show up, right? If that's what happens if you use the core wallet. If you're using the Discord wallet, I'm not sure. And you're actually Tristan, open your wallet, right? Look, I'll show you. You're gonna open your Discord wallet, your DeVault wallet, sorry, not your Discord wallet, your DeVault. So you're using the node. It's gonna come up, right? It's gonna start loading. Mine's not gonna load because I crashed my PC, and if you crash your PC, this is gonna happen to you, right? There's an issue. If you crash the PC, the node's gonna go out of sync, and you're gonna have to delete everything except for the wallet folder, and then reinstall it. But you gotta wait for this to sync to 100%, and then it'll show. Mine is out of sync, right? And I have not been able to sync. That's why I didn't disperse yesterday, and Jake had to help me out send the money because I had issues with the syncing of my wallet. Because when my PC crashed, I didn't realize it went out of sync. Anyways, it's there, right? So, yep, great stuff. It's shutting down. Did not shut down the computer. Great, I know. Yep, if that solves it, let me know. Yeah, I got to make the country go bullish. Yeah, awesome. Jake keeps his synced. Yeah, I forget to open it like sometimes for a couple days. Anyways, bearish divergence moving down. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 53.90. Let's go to the 4-hour free to right. Had some hidden bullish. Took a pop. That's fine. Look at what hidden bullish does. Remember, I told you can keep on dropping and keep on making it. Hidden bullish, starting rallying. High, low, positive, less positive, high, there's high, lower. That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. That's it. Really not a lot happening here on Unibright. Some hidden bearish here. On the 4-hour, that's about it. And be aware, remember we talked about the bullish news for DVT, man. It's going up, dude. Alright, look at DVT. 4.2, man, right? When I was looking at this, you think GRT is pumping? Dude, look at how much this pumped today on the fact that it's being wrapped. It's pumped 44% today already, man. It's doing really good, right? I'm going to check out DVT in a second, though. Let's finish Unibright. Higher negativeness, a little low, higher on their side, that's fine. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Sorry, the 1-hour. Created bearish divergence, man, right? From here. Hello. Here also, look, low, high, a low high there, and high low there, right? Bearish divergence. What is this? 63, 63, 67, 63, 22, right? Nothing there. Low, high, negative, more negative. Great stuff there. Some hidden bullish divergence, right? At least from here to here. And then that works out, I guess. Short term here, strong bullish, right? Low, lower, negative, less negative. Short, strong bullish potential action to the upside. Starting to get that pump. But we don't have anything bearish, right? High, low, positive, less positive, high on the other side to lower point. It's all good. Neutral at 50.28. Again, we have strong bullish. We could be looking for potential retrace slightly. And then trying to pump again on Unibright. I'm going to have to start moving quick through some of the projects, guys. It is, we've been 2 hours into stream. After BSV, I think there's no more requests. That's going to be a lot of coins I got to go through still. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more coins to go through, guys. It's a lot of coins to go through. No more requests. I'm closing requests already. If I didn't get to see your request, I'm sorry. There's just so much stuff I got to go through, right? So, JT Kid, I already did BTCS earlier. I already did DOT. 1 inch, I'm not going to be able to go through it tonight, man. I'm already 2 hours into the stream. It's probably going to be a 4-hour stream. It's starting to get crazy with the times, guys, right? Right on. So, GRT is 4 coins. 3 coins following RSR. Let's go check out RSR. Look, and when you talk about 1 inch, we do look at 1 inch. We have looked at 1 inch before. I'm just not gonna look at it again right now. Right now it's RSR. We do keep a queue, and I already closed the queue. Sorry, dude. Part of that is because I already have a lot of projects. I already went through 5 coins. at the beginning, and then I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I already done 10, and then I still have 10 more to go. So it's already a lot of time, right? So I'm gonna start moving quick. Go get some more whiskey. What?
Just found your channel tonight. Good stuff, man.
What? Whoa. A little toward my mic? What's a little toward my mic? You want me to get my mic closer? Oh, the mic goal. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. That was wild, bro. Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's pretty cool, man. More whiskey, dude. I have a bottle right next to me. It's full, dude. Look at that. I just cracked it open today. It's right there, right? Thanks so much for the awesome tip, Crypto Nut. That is insane, man. Damn, that's crazy, bro. That's like the highest tip we've gotten out in like a couple of weeks, dude. Like a couple of streams ago was insane. Thanks so much for the awesome tip, bro. Chug it, the whiskey? Alright, dude, I will. It's not that much. Dude, I really enjoy whiskey, dude. Why do I have to chug it? You call the one in shout out? Yeah. I know, dude. We get bombed by 100 buckaroos, dude. It's crazy. I don't want to chug the whiskey, man. It's really good. Why should I chug it? Alright, I'll just drink this one quickly, and then I'll put myself another one. But I don't want to chug whiskey, dude. I really enjoy drinking it. That's the point, right? If I wanted to chug something, I would, like, bring beer, but... If there was a bottle... Oh, I do have a bottle of whiskey, dude. Right next to me. I'm not going to drink it all. Instead of drunk crypto. Yeah, I shouldn't... don't drink in TA, guys. You're going to get wrecked. So you can tip. Yeah, there's tip links in the description. You can tip with fiat, you can tip with crypto, and you can also tip with Cointree, right? One Up Coin shows up on the stream. Fiat tips also show up on the stream. And then Cointree doesn't show up on the stream. It goes up on that corner over there. And then I have to manually update up there. VV donated yesterday. I forgot to update, but... the thing about the manual ones is that I gotta, like, you know, do them on hand, right? Anyways. How am I doing tonight? I'm doing good, Mega Skaters, dude. I'm doing really good. Having a lot of fun tonight. Really looking at a lot of projects, so. Gotta go a lot of stuff, a lot of projects to go through still. But, dude, really, Crypto Nut, thanks so much for the awesome tip, bro. That's insane. Try add United onto the 10. Whoa, just onto 10, so it shows us 15. Yeah, dude, I can do that. No worries. It's all good. I need to like go and update that after the stream though. Let's do RSR, dude. Where's RSR? We haven't done much for it lately, I think. Oh, dude, what? No, that's not the one I want. This is the RSR we're looking for. I was like, pick the new one. Oh, that's what vibes you're receiving. Just logged in. Wow, that's cool. You just keep adding on to it. Right, so RSR in the daily. Taking a small pump, hitting for that 50% retrace at 4.1. Again, remember how I told you I'm not worried about RSR doing good right now? My entry on RSR was here, right? At 3.1. And if you remember, I got in here on August, and I ate a lot of crap for a lot of time with this. Shampoo Gaming! Sorry, dude, I just keep miscalling your name. Hi again. I ate a lot of crap here, dude, because I didn't follow my strategy, and I told you guys I screwed up, right? Because my exit was here at the red. There was a 10% hit I was willing to take on a project, and I had to, like, after it dropped to here, man, right here on the red candle, I was like, you know what, forget it, dude. I'm losing 50% of my value. I just ate a lot of crap. I'm going to have to wait. And then I sold a little bit, then I sold a little bit, then I sold a little bit more, and I bought back in. And now I'm doing good, right? I'm still more or less same exit level from 100%, but you know, it's been doing okay, right? So again, I told you guys plenty of times, if you ever go to a room with a trader and they tell you that they never lost, they're full of shit, man. They just turn around and go the other way. Everyone takes hits. We all take hits. If someone tells you they're 100% profitable 100% of the time, they're lying to you, man. Don't stay there. We all take hits. A lot of times we take hits. I've taken plenty of hits. Everyone takes hits from trading, dude. There's no such thing as a perfect 100% trader. He'll be a multi-billionaire, dude. You're right. He will like control the markets. That doesn't exist. So if you see someone preaching that they never lose and they sell you a course, run, dude. There's plenty of free information out there. They're just gonna sell you BS, and that's probably how they're making their money, right? Not trading. Anyways, RSR. Let's finish this. Nothing happening on the daily. Starting to make negative momentum. Bought at 62.97. Let's go to the 4-hour. Bearish divergence moving down. We're surfing this triangle that we just kind of invalidated. I kind of like the triangle that we were making. Kind of sucks that we just now killed it. But you know, we're moving down again. Finding support at 236 on this micro fibs. Trying to take a pop, and right now rejecting that 50. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on there, side to higher point. Nothing here. Neutral at 54.04. I am going to start to move a little bit quicker because there's a lot of projects I got to go through still. So, right on. We're looking for some divergence here. Bearish, or sorry, bullish, and we still created it just a couple candles later. There we go. Taking that small pop again. Got us up on this channel again above that 382. Unlike, we broke with Bitcoin et company, right? Bitcoin et al. And then we just move down on that. Low 196, 18. So high, low. That works. So look here, low to higher point, right? And when you see me calling numbers that makes no sense, just make sure I'm calling data here, and I'm ignoring the zeros, because for me, like calling 000196, I just don't care about the zeros. So I just go 196, 185. So high to low, right? Positive, less positive. Right. So price, we have strong bearish divergence. Price action to the downside, 62.84 and then 62.12. So also here on the RSI, high to low, right? So again, strong bearish divergence action to the downside, move down, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI to lower point, taking a small bounce. That's great. Again, resistance at that 50% line. We're creating hidden bearish divergence at that area, and that's probably why we're facing this resistance right now. Again, hidden bearish, it's strong. But, you know, I'm not super worried about it. It could come down here again, find support at the 20, try to pop again. So long as it stays here, it has been ranging around that 4-cent mark, it's fine. Anyways, next project, DVT, bro. DVT is pumping a lot. Remember, yesterday we handed out a lot of DVT. Tristan, I just tried to keep fiat, but you're getting an error. That's weird. It goes through PayPal, man. I'm sorry about that. Thank you, Tristan, for the tip. If you want, you can try to do it on crypto, and that's a one-up coin. If you're on the one-up coin, you can tip with crypto if you want, or you can keep on tipping with fiat. I'm not sure why you got an error, but thanks, bro. Much appreciated. Crypto Nut, are you on the Discord? Because we do have a special section for the people that tip. We haven't posted a lot in there yet. We just created it a couple days ago, and we're really just having the donators be there. So if you're a donator and you're in the Discord, let me know and you'll get access to the donator section. It's basically just showing some love to people that donate. We like I said, there's no information there yet, but if you donate, you'll get there. We're still figuring out what we're gonna do extra for the people that donate. Double V is there already. You're there already, man. Double V, you have access to donators because you've tipped. So everyone that comes here and tips, you just get access there. I'm not sure what we're going to have there. Maybe some pre-stream coin requests that get priority over the troopers. Because the people that tip are going to get probably priority analysis first. And then, the troopers and then the people that are here that are not regulars, let's say, right? So we do try to benefit the people that are here. We do have a lot of stuff that we do. So if you're here regular, you're going to have access to this area here that says pre-stream requests. You got to let Jake and me know who you are on YouTube, who you're on Twitter, on Discord, and we'll add you here, and then you basically can ask for coins to be done prior to the stream starting. About an hour before the stream is fine. I usually just go through this. I'll queue the list up, right? So if you're regular, you get a benefit of being able to request coins and not have to request them when you're online. So that's one thing, right? Then the next one is if you tip, well, you're gonna give you a little bit more priority, basically, right? Than the regulars also because you're tipping. So Cryptonaut, let us know if you're in the Discord, and that's gonna be amazing, dude. Thanks. Yeah, Double B saying that they're gonna go up, dude. I think that actually I need to change the title of that one. Double B, that should be donations through Cointree, because the crypto donations also go up there on the top, but they just take the place of fiat donations also, right? So the Cointree ones are the ones that are not going. They don't show up on the stream with the chart, basically, that showed up a little bit ago, and it's just different, right? So yeah, we're trying to make sure everyone's get mentioned. It gets up there. So the Cointree one I have to manually update, right? So thanks for that, man. Much appreciated. And wow, let's keep it rolling. DVT, right? DVT's doing good today. Let's get the MACD and the RSI out here. Again, they just got wrapped, so they're on Binance. What is it? Binance something chain. I can't, BSC, whatever it is, dude. And that's why the project's going up, right? Higher, positive, more positive, higher, higher point, dude. Nothing bearish on the daily, at least not in the short term. You're gonna zoom out a little bit more, but again, the project is having bullish news, so that's why it's pumping, right? Look, it's going up very nice. Whoever got tipped yesterday, remember how much you got tipped, right? We gave out 500,000 DVTs, right? So let's bring out the calculator. Let's see how much it's worth today. We gave out 500,000 DVTs. Right now, it's worth 0.001525. So $762, right? Yesterday, there were $500 at the beginning. Throughout the stream, they went to 600 and change. Right now, we gave out the equivalent of $750, dude. That's insane. If you want 100,000, who was it? 100,000, right? Someone won 100,000 yesterday. Times 0.001524, right? Or 152524 right now. Like those $100 that we gave away, now they're worth 152, right? Ain't that cool, man? Ain't that cool how much crypto multiplies? And again, bullish news for this project. So again, expecting recovery to happen, and that's what's getting on Bitcoin, right? Again, MACD is not super accurate here, so I'm gonna ignore it. Although it's pointing to some bearishness right now, it all reads as 0 because there's not a lot of data. But this will just rate like legit look a little bit like a sideways motion. It is slightly higher, I guess. I'll have to like go here. Yeah, it is higher, right? When it's small, it was just hard to read, but it's higher. It's also higher and higher. So nothing bearish on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour. Again, the MACD is the one that's usually the hardest read because it's not there. Also slightly higher, so it's fine. Higher on the RSI as well. That's good, man. Nothing bearish here. Let's see, 69.85, 71. So also overbought right now. Good, man. And on the 1 hour, is there anything bearish? Did it change from the 4 hour to the 1 hour? It's not changing, dude. That's weird. The 4 hour and the 1 hour are loading the same. Did I lose the stream? Yo, guys are here. Can you guys hear me? I think I'm losing the stream. Hello, can you guys hear me? 1 2 1 2 testing testing. Oh, you hear there? All right, cool. I'm losing part of the internet. That's weird. Because the music stopped, so it doesn't want to load. Right? There we go. Now I see it again. And the chart doesn't want to change. Right? The 4 hour and the 1 hour are looking the same. So there we go. Now the 1 hour loaded, I think. Let's just go to the 4 hour confirm. No, it looks the same. All right, so I'm getting something wrong here with the South Exchange. It's really not loading the chart properly. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to like make sure everything's there and proper, man. Thank you all for being here and letting me know. I'm good under the bridge. Yeah. Till what time do I stream? Brian, usually until the last coin is done. And right now I still have a lot of coins to go, man. 1.19k subs. That's awesome, Jake. Thanks for letting me know. I had a target at 1.25. I'm not sure we're going to hit it, man. We're at 1.195 actually right now. So 5 more subs to 1.2. That'll be awesome. I'll be happy if we get to 1.2 subs tonight. All right? That'll be like an increase of 50 subs more or less. So if you haven't done it yet, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. If you're liking the content, if you're already here and you stayed here for more than a couple minutes and you like the content, just hit that love, man. Share the love. Omar Chavez, Bitcoin dropping. Is it? We'll check it out in a second. Right on. That's it for DVT, man. I wish I could do it on the 1 hour. It's not loading. Something's off. So I'm going to have to go here and go over to COMP, dude. Again, DVT just got wrapped. Remember, we also showed the tweet. Bullish stuff happening. Again, DVT giving away, right? D from DeVault giving away some of that because of, you know, giving away $100 in Binance to celebrate wrapping of DVT, which is really important because now it's a DeFi project as well, right? So it just got wrapped. Great stuff, dude. It's this here was coming soon, but I think we're getting wrapped soon. So when it gets wrapped, get it while it's cheap because once you get wrapped, you bet it's gonna pump, dude. It's gonna be insane to get it at these prices. Clicking too much? Yeah. I am a free course. I know. I also give out free links on the Discord. If you ask me for stuff, I'll point you to like reference links. Yeah, 5% swings I'm not worried about. I'm not gonna, if it's a 5% swing, I'm not gonna. Bitcoin CCP spam. Check it out. Awesome. I ate some spam the other day. It was really good. Bitcoin CCP. It was tasty. Again, music just stopped again. I'm having internet problems, dude. It's weird. At least the chat's not going. Comp. Great. Let's move on. I gotta move quick. I'm gonna stop looking at the chat a little bit. I do try to chill out and hang out, you know, and do the technicals. I have not looked at the chat that much, I think. Still trying to get the flow for having all these people in here, which is really amazing. Comp. Let's go. Daily. What do we have? I had bearish divergence. Track it down for one more day. It's still there. It's still there, right? Action to the downside. Started to move down. Playing support at the 618. That's fine. Bouncing from there. That's also great. I don't have anything against the chart. It looks good right now, and nothing crazy for. So let's go to the 4 hour, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to a higher point. There's nothing bullish, dude. Right, look, this tracked onto there, that tracked onto there, and then short term here, from here to here. More strong bearish divergence, but against the MACD, right? Action to the downside. So hitting that 618 and trying to bounce, getting above that 20. Neutral 55.13. Let's go to the 1 hour. We had bearish divergence, right? We moved down on that. That was great. Last time we looked at this was on the 13th, so not too long ago. Then we created more strong bearish divergence, right? $69, $68. There we go. And then we moved down on that. So that's fine. Let's see here, dude. What is this? 183. 183. Right. So we're moving sideways there. And this is less. Right. So, okay. That works. Look here. Every time we're coming lower here, right, to here and then to here, we are making strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're coming lower. So that's fine. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD. Price action to the upside. Getting above that 618. Getting above that 20. Trying to go higher right now. But guess what? We might stall a little bit because we have some hidden bearish divergence. And that could give us some stalling or potential action to the downside. Neutral at 53.28. That's it for comp. Again, sorry if I'm going to start moving quickly. There's a lot of projects to move through. The graph. Is this the graph we're looking for? I think it was this one. Yeah. Right on the graph. Pulling back a little bit after hitting that 618. That's fine. All right, so from high to low, we're retracing a little bit. Nothing on the daily. Let's go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour MACD is showing like the MACD is way off, dude. That's weird. See, I hate the fact that the MACD is not loading properly, man. That's just awkward. Anyways, what do we have? 0, 0, 85, 79. Right on. High, higher. High, lower, right? Bearish divergence, action to the downside, potentially. That's what we're looking at. I don't doubt that at some point in time this was going higher when we had nothing. But the fact that we're pulling back, it's really bringing us down. PayPal is down. That's weird. Bring Facts is right. Bring Facts says don't use PayPal for Bitcoin. He actually wants his keys. Remember something, guys. Don't buy Bitcoin on a crippled service. You buy it on I'm not sure if they updated yet, but if you buy it on PayPal, you cannot withdraw it. You cannot send it to anyone else. It just sits there. You can only buy it and sell it to PayPal. That's it. And whatever they're willing to take and pay you at the time. There's plenty of exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin and then move it to your wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Exchanges get hacked. Exchanges get told to freeze accounts. So remember, not your keys, not your crypto. Keep that in mind. Robinhood too, no keys. Yeah. The Bitcoin network's not down. I agree. What's the best site to buy cryptos? Joseph, there's plenty of exchanges out there, man. Mt. Gox ring a bell? Yeah, they got hacked for a lot of money. But Binance has insurance, right? They've gotten hacked before and they refunded the users for the money. So that's good, right? That's why insurances for exchanges became a big thing. You know who was with Mt. Gox? Jen McCaleb, the founder of Ripple, and now XLM. What? What would I recommend? What recommend for what? Coinbase is fine. I mean, if what you need is an on-ramp, go to Coinbase and then you can go to many other exchanges, right? There's plenty of exchanges out there. I never used eToro, Lorraine Grimaldo. I never used eToro. Bimbo boys. What's up, dude? Great, so let's keep on going with the graph. Bearish divergence, over bought at 70.36. Let's go to 1 hour. Oh, first of all, I forget the anchor. Captain. Oh no, the vote's going away. Let's fix this real quick. Here we go, man. There we are. Awesome. Higher, positive, high, there, side to hard point. Everything here is good. Higher, positive, less positive. Yeah, that works. Right, we have some bearish divergence here, strong for potential action to the downside on the 1 hour chart. It already moved down though. Remember, this already played. I'm just looking at what's going on right now that could affect us. Hello, also. There we go. And then here we had some strong bullish divergence. Divergence of the bulls. For action to the upside. 45, 42, lower. Low high, what is this? 38, 34. Low high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point. Nothing bullish here, dude. Could we get a continuation of this small bullishness? Maybe, you know. Not finding anything here. Maybe the half hour might have something. I'm not going to go to the half hours right now. A lot of pullback, right? A lot of pullback happening, guys. Yeah. Ivan Sobrevilla. Keep dropping. What keeps dropping? Let me know. But Mo, so far, they are safe. Who's safe? Chainlink has some crazy activity in the last 2 hours. Sat Watson. Yeah, where we looked at Link, you know, I'll put it, it's already on the recap. So towards the end of the stream, I'm going to do a quick recap. But right now, I got to move through a lot of stuff. Now, Ren. The Ren and Stimpy. Did we look at Ren the other day? We didn't. I think people were talking about it. We just didn't look at it. I said I was going to do it today. I think it was yesterday. Someone was asking for RAN, and I said, sure, man, but not right now. Did I not click it? Take me there. Oh, we already had RAN open. We did have a RAN open. I stand corrected. We just haven't looked at it in a while. So from the high to low, right, we're retracing, getting above that 786 right now. On doing that, that's good, right? Fibs are holding. Let's go in. Low, high, positive, more positive, high. There's a higher point. Short-term, strong bearish divergence against the RSI, right? So that's what we're looking for RAN right now. Right, that's it on the daily. Starting to move down on that strong bearish divergence. Bought at 66.80. Let's go to the 4 hour. Coming up, and coming up, right? So let's go back here. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, there's a higher point. Nothing here, man. Low, high, negative, less negative. Right. Low, high. Neutral at 57.44. Nothing here. Let's go to the 1 hour. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, there's a higher point. Nothing here. That is bearish, dude. Right? It's just freaking weird. 449, 576. So low, high, positive, more positive, high, there's a higher point. It doesn't have anything bearish, bro. It could just be that it's consolidating right now, right? And if you look at this, and now that I zoomed out, and in the 4 hour, we might look at this a little bit better, right? It's starting to look like some kind of flag consolidation. Came down, hit that 20, taking a bounce. That's great, man, right? Not looking too bad when I zoom out. Now, I'm not finding anything bullish here. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. The 1 hour ran. Low, high, negative, morning. Right, so I'm hitting bullish here in the 1 hour. Jesus, it was like, there's nothing, bro. This is going insanely high. 49 cents right now for RAN. Is there a Stimpy coin? Someone should make a Stimpy coin and we should analyze them together, like RAN and Stimpy, right? High, low, positive, positive. High, low on the RSI. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Sorry, higher on the RSI. Neutral at 47.17. Or someone should make like a Beavis and Butthead coin. That would also be cool. Drew Connell, like Voyager. Dude, I'm not going to look at Voyager today, Drew. I'm sorry, man. I already have a lot of coins I gotta go through. Rodrigo Moreno. I'm sorry for okay, Rodrigo Moreno. Sorry for dumb question. When can I buy ADA? You can buy it whenever you want. It's on the exchanges, Rodrigo. I'm sorry I cannot give you advice. Mariana Salas, Bitcoin, please. We already did Bitcoin. I'm gonna do it again later on. Mariana, thank you for asking, and I will check again. If you want to look at Bitcoin in detail, I did it at the beginning of the stream. If you want to get a quick recap, you gotta wait for me to like go through some coins. We have 5 more coins to go, and then we recap, right? Nick Smith, you like ADA, boss? There's a lot of people like ADA. I haven't bought ADA. Rodrigo Moreno, where can you buy ADA? You can buy ADA on Binance, I think, and other exchanges. Oh, where can you buy ADA? I thought when you can buy ADA. Sorry, man. Misread. You said Voyager. Yeah, Voyager. We're not going to look at Voyager tonight, man. I'm sorry. I already got full requests, dude. I filled up the list. I already done 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I already done 20 coins, man. And I still have 5 more to go and then recaps. So I do take free requests. Trust me. I try to be as fair as I can. If you want me to look at Voyager, come in here tomorrow, ask me early, go on the Discord, let us know you're a regular. You'll get access to pre-stream requests. It's like I can only do so many coins, man, right? GRT, we just did GRT, bro. We're actually just finished GRT on the previous coin. Oh, you're telling him where to buy ADA. Sorry, bro. I thought you wanted me to look at Voyager. I was like, a lot of people were asking me to like some coin like that yesterday, so. XLM, great. My head's starting to go. Let's go check out XLM. It's tiring doing a lot of analysis, man. Bitcoin dumping, oh my goodness. Martin, pump out TA like a beast. Yeah, I know, always, every day, man. Someone said Bitcoin's dumping. It's at 35,600. It's not the end of the world. Let's do XLM, and then I'll go check out Bitcoin real quick. Oh my god, it dropped 3%. We're going to like the zero, right? Yeah, no worries, Rodrigo. Next resistance level for Bitcoin. We'll check it out in a second. Let me do XLM and I'll go to Bitcoin, right? I know there's panic happening. Don't panic sell. We'll be there in a second. Right. XLM. Impulse up. Flagging. Consolidation. Don't look too bad right now. I'm not going to put a pattern to it right now, but I'll show you what we're doing here for consolidation. Not looking the best. I might need to use wicks for this. It looks like a broadening wedge. I don't like that. Falling channel, broadening wedge. Again, this wick is what throws everything off, right? In this wick, so I'm really not liking it. I might just have to go with the bodies and go like this, and then the bodies would go like that, and there will also be a broadening wedge, so it just sucks. Hit broadening wedges. Right, just flagging sideways motion right now. Again, bearish divergence hasn't created anything new. Neutral or bought at 60.27. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're at 40K Saturday. Well, let's see, man. Let's hope so, right? Next on the 4 hour, we had hidden bullish divergence. Actually, the opposite. I think that popped. Remember yesterday, a couple days ago, we moved this. Look, we had it to here. Now we have it to here. Taking that nice pop. High, low, positive was positive. High on the other side to lower point. Short term, low, high, positive, more positive, low, high. Even shorter term from here to here. It's just very nano, right? It's very micro on the 4 hour. Just over a couple of 4 hour candles, not even that much, but bearish divergence, strong action to the downside, moving down on that. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher point, neutral at 45.51. Let's go to the 1 hour. Jesus, there we go. Bearish divergence, move down. Now, what do we do afterwards? Well, we created more bearish divergence because why not? It's there, right? So high, higher still, right? Breaking out of the triangle. We were expecting for a break to the upside, remember? But we didn't. We just broke sideways. And that kind of sucks. Really, because this would have been a good setup for a potential good entry on that on that ascending triangle, right? For potential major move to the upside. But anyways, we broke kind of sideways, moved down, and I'll have to figure out how to re-anchor this later on and see for a different pattern. But again, right now I'm just gonna move quick, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. From here to here, everything's good, nothing here. Try to rally a little bit, hitting the 20 as resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Rejecting, not very good. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher point. Neutral at 42.35, high, low. What is this at? 703, 733. Wow, we have some hidden bearish. That's probably why we rejected this area, right? Then look at this. This is 0.000703, and this is 0.00733. So low, high, right? Positive, more positive. Hidden bearish divergence, moving down on that. That's it for XLM. That's all she wrote. Let's go back to Bitcoin real quick, because, oh my god, it's freaking going to die, I guess, right? Let's go give it CPR or something. Bitcoin the 1 hour. It's not doing much. We talked about rejection of the 20. We were here live when we started. We rejected 20. We checked it out at the beginning of 11 p.m., I think, and we said, look, we're still rejecting the 20. It wouldn't be weird if we drop. I actually talked about even dropping probably down here. I'm not sure if I talked about dropping for Bitcoin, but look, if we come to 34K here and we go negative, less negative, and have some strong bullish divergence, I might have mentioned this in the Bitcoin beginning of the stream, I can't remember, but if we go like that and create some strong bullish divergence and then pump, would that be bad? No, right? So, I mean, don't really worry about Bitcoin right now, right? We're in a channel, for reals. People freak out because it's dropping a little bit. Oh my god, it's dropped 2%. It's really not dropping that much, guys. Right now it's not that bad. We don't have anything bearish overhead on the 1 hour. Last thing we have is bullish. We could be trying to pull back down a little bit, grab more strength before we run. If we don't break below this area here, right, below this area, 35,165, I'm not worried about Bitcoin yet, because we're going to have support here, and it already held once, right? So if we break this area, then yeah, we could be looking at the 30Ks, 33, 31, right? But right now it's good. It's really not that bad for Bitcoin, right? It's only bad if you just got in and you're getting at 40K and you're still below, right? Luis AZ, you bought at 36,250. Wow, that sucks. Did you have a strategy? I mean, if you did, that's fine. But when you buy, you have to have a strategy. You have to have an entry point. You have to know why you're going in. You have to know when you're getting out, right? Chainlink is dropping. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, he was gonna get pulled back. Everything that goes up must come down. Convert, Link, GRT, XLM, OXT, ADA. Bitcoin CCP is trying to convert people. GRT will solid tonight. It might, dude. You know, I don't have any problems with it. It's pumping good, so. Gadget Classrooms. We have a classroom here. Gadget Classroom. Pup. About last day at 35,500. 35,500. Well, you're very close to break even, right? You're taking a little bit of profit right now. Linda Angel. Linda Angel. I poured at 20,000. Then you're doing good. Spencer sold at 37. Wow, you bought at 40K at 4,000. Bring facts. Yeah, look, I got in at 7 and change, 8 and change, 9 and change, 16 and point something, 30 something, and then 40, and then the one on 40 I sold at 38, but back in at 36.5. Yeah, 36.5. Sold back at 38, and I only took a 1% hit there, but I haven't bought back in that money, dude. It's just I'm waiting for like a good entry. I haven't found it. Although it took a nice reversal and pump all the way up to 40K, I haven't found that, right? Anyways, billions of dollars in Bitcoin becomes available to creditors of Mt. Gox next Monday. Well, that's okay. Whales control something. The Bitcoin market, they can make any pattern they want. They're essentially day trading with billions of dollars. Maybe Mercanel. Rodrigo Moreno. Rodrigo Moreno. I don't want Bitcoin in August. Dude, sorry if I just said like Monero, dude. It's just like so many crypto things going out there. No, my fish is dying. Oh, dude, VV, no, go take care of that, bro. He's gonna convert crypto to cash. Yeah. Discord, yeah. Right on. Right, I'm gonna keep on going. Bitcoin again, not the end of the world. UniSwap, let's go. Uni to the dollar. Great. What we had? Bearish divergence. We moved down. Hit the 20, taking a bounce. Great. Let's go to the daily first. Oh, look at Uni. It still has bearish divergence. Oh, no. What do we hit? Resistance. 7.75. Remember when we said that was a potential resistance? Yeah, it's still there. We just rejected it. We have strong bearish divergence on the daily, right? Neutral at, bought at 69.43. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, tracked down to there. That just keeps on tracking to there. We still have strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. And guess what? Now, even within this island, right, even if we go from here to here on the 4 hour, we have strong bearish divergence. That means we're going to move down. Very likely. So we have it on the daily. We have it on the 4 hour. Let's do the 1 hour. What's in store, right? So, you know, not weird. Again, here, we haven't hit that resistance at 7.75. Awkward. The daily had it, not the 4 hour. Look at this. It's insane, bro. Look, every time we keep on going high, lower, low, lower, right? So I'll just track this on so you can see what I'm going to talk about in a second. I'm going to draw them here while I made this larger than life because, you know, sometimes when it's like tiny, it's hard to see here, right? And engage them properly. But if you look at this and you go high, higher, right? And then higher, and across this, what we're doing is we just have strong bearish divergence. And we also have it here. Look at this. But it's just resistant to break, bro. It's like, you know, resistant to break down. That's good, right? That's bullish. But at some point in time, this divergence is going to kick in and it's going to bring it down. Again, right now, hitting the 20, finding support. We might go for another small pop. Who knows? We might actually hit 7.75 and reject, right? That could be a possibility. Neutral at 53.95. That's it for Uni, guys. I'm going to start moving quick. 3 more coins to go and then recap. So I know a lot of you guys want us to look at Bitcoin and you know, other projects. We'll do it in a second. CVC Pharmacy. Dude, I just closed it by accident. Fudge. There we go, man. CVC, what's it doing, man? What'd it do? $87.38, 86, slightly less against the RSI on the daily. This is the only thing I can look for, right? It's the only thing I can find on the daily that it's evident. We're coming lower here, right? Low, high, low, high, right? That works against the RSI also, right? There's some hidden bullish divergence to here, and from here to here, and that gives us that action to the upside, right? Did I anchor? Yep. Where it came down, hit the 20, found support, took a pop. High low, positive, high low. Neutral at 56.80. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Montax loop. Is USDT safe? Well, it's pegged to $1, man. So it should always more or less try to fluctuate at $1. Bitcoin CP, good night all. See you when Bitcoin is below 25K. All right. Signed Santa. Awesome. Thank you, Santa. Crypto legend, crypto expert here. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be on chat for the next 10 minutes. AMA. Right on, dude. Thanks. Thanks for being here, crypto legend. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button on the sub. Join me on Twitter or Discord. Then DeVito, what do you think about the news that Adhera Hashrap is working on the biggest supply chain company? The biggest supply chain company? That's interesting. I like that. Are they gonna have blockchain onto the things they deliver? That's gonna be interesting. That's on Pi Network. I'm not sure, dude. I haven't looked at Pi in a while, dude. Using USDC for now. Yeah, that's fine. Freedom Studio. You know, it's a good. Everyone like the video? Help me out. Yeah, thanks, Crypto Legend. That's a pretty solid comment. I like that. Yo, by the way, join us on Twitter. It's gonna go out right now. Low, high, low. I'm not seeing anything here. Look, if anything, you know, we're making some kind of triangle, very large triangle pattern. Right. I'm gonna use the wicks because otherwise it's gonna be like wicked. But we're looking at January 23rd, 2021 for this to potentially break. And I'm not even sure there's a pattern yet. I would love to get better confirmation for this pattern. If I use the bodies, do I get better touch points? There we are. Yeah, it might work as a triangle. It's very big, and triangles tend to be neutral in nature, so they could break either way. I would not be looking at CVC right now, actually, as a triangle. I'm going to wait. I'm going to leave it here, but I'm going to wait. There's nothing here to call. High, low, positive, low, high, negative, less negative, right? It's all good. We had some hidden divergence from here to here. Again, just follow that line, right? Hidden divergence. Also against the RSI, right? And that's where we're moving down. Oh, fudge, I forgot to anchor. That means everything wants to go into the 1 hour chart. Now I got to do damage control. Because if we go to the 1 hour, it's going to be messy. Messy AF, right? And we don't want messiness. We want clean charts. Because clean charts give better results. Because, you know, you don't get, like, mixed up with stuff. Double V, hey, you're heading out? Good night. Stay safe. Stay safe, bro. Thanks for being here, man. Rat, what's some good tips for first-time traders? Join the Discord, man. I can give you information there. Don't overtrade. Don't be over-leveraged. Don't put a lot more than you're willing to lose. You know, there's a lot of things. How am I currently positioned with my crypto holdings? I'm good, bro. I got a good mix in my portfolio, so I'm happy with that. I'm good on Bitcoin. I'm good on RSR. My portfolio right now is green overall. So I think I only took a hit on a Bitcoin position that I took at 40K. I exited at 38, bought back in at 36.5, and then I exited again at 38. So we'll say something. RSR was doing bad. Now it's green again since it broke 3.1 cents. My XRP I dropped. I switched them to Bitcoin. They're doing good because you know, I still managed to exit on a reasonable level at XRP. My XLM's fine. My Solo's good. What else do I have, dude? I have a couple projects. So my DVT is excellent. My DVT is doing amazing right now, dude. So yeah, I'm positioned good with my crypto holdings. Thank you, Crypto Legend, for asking. Yeah, don't be trading a lot. Like, don't be buying and selling consistently. Right? unless you have like a good strategy for it. You're gonna get tired, you're gonna get exhausted, you're gonna start making mistakes. You can go on tilt, right? You can like lose. I'm gonna make it on the next trade, then you lose again, and then you like go all in, dude. Like, you know, when you see people like breaking poker or like in Texas, right? Like, or not Texas, in Vegas, where they just like completely go down because they just start betting like crazy because they want to make out all the losses. If you overtrade, you're really exposed to that, right? Because you take a hit, you take another one, I'm going to recover the next one, I'm going to recover the next one, and you just keep going down the same rabbit hole, and all of a sudden you're wrecked. Tax issues? No, I don't have tax issues, thank you. I don't get taxed on crypto. Because Mexico doesn't have crypto taxation laws now, so, or yet. So that's pretty good, right? And yeah, you can also get tax issues depending if you're in US. Right? Every time you convert, it's taxed as capital gains. AD says that's how he started. Yeah, it happens to a lot of people, right? I mean, it's happened to me a couple times. You know, it's normal. You learn. You stop overtrading. We all go through that at some point in time, right? I'm lost in this trade. I'm gonna make it up on the next one, and then you just keep fucking up, and all of a sudden your portfolio is not that good. Yeah, it's normal to screw up. Everyone screws up. We're all human, right? We'll take hits. Lower. This is a 1 hour chart. Negative, less negative. Oh, lower. That's fine. Strong bullish. Starting to go up a little bit, but not by a lot. What is this, dude? I gotta make this larger. Oh, I'm gonna make this very large. High, higher. High, low. Right. So this is what I was looking at. High, slightly higher. That's fine. Then high to low, right? Hidden bearish divergence. That's why this bullishness is not triggering yet. But failing to drop lower than this previous low could give some continuation to this strong bullish divergence for us to go up again. So failing to drop lower, right? If we drop lower, we might create some strong bullish still, right? Come here, maybe slightly lower. Go from here to here, maybe less negative momentum. Try to take a pop. That's something I would be looking for. Maybe willing to take action, something like that. So that's it. CVC done, EOS and BSB, and then we're gonna recap, and then I think it was gonna be done, dude. Return of 85% correction. The return of 85% correction. What, Mr. Kobayashi? Kobayashi Maru. What's up, Mr. Kobayashi? What do you think about, dude? Can't you look like XTC? John Smith, I already looked at XTC, bro. Thanks for asking. XTC was actually the 13th coin we'll look at, dude. I might look at it on recap. I'm not sure, man. I already have a lot of things to look at in recap, man. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get through it again today. I'm sorry, bro. I've been here since 9 p.m. It's been almost 3 hours of streams. I've got 25 coins, over 25 coins I've gone through, plus the recaps I'm going to do. You know, I'm glad to do it again tomorrow, John Smith, or you can catch the recap when I did it earlier. EOS. Let's go EOS on the daily. Right, so we went to 100%, retrace. He had 236, almost retracing to 100%, rejecting the 382, which is fine again. And right now we're in this channel between the 382 and the 236, sitting at $2.73, right? The channel from 281 to, I can't tell this one, but go here, 262 more or less, right? So we're almost in the middle of that channel, a little bit higher, but that is fine. Let me go to this chart. I have stuff here. We had bearish divergence, strong against the RSI, went down on that. This should be from another time scale, so let's send this back to daily. The 1 hour. I'm not sure if this was from the 1 hour or the 4 hour, but we're gonna know for sure when we get there, right? So, right move down, low, high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI, higher point, neutral at 46.91. 4 hour. What's there? Bearish. Again, that potential rising wedge. We know it usually breaks to the downside. Now, if I adjust it to include the new data, we're probably gonna make it just a rising channel, which is fine, right? Or a little bit like a rising channel, something like that. And that's fine. We can actually switch this to a rising channel. And that would still work, I guess. Let me actually get my trusty channel tool here. Of channelness awesomeness. We'll go here to here. And then I'll just do that to there. Maybe I should do the channel the other way. Let me get rid of the lines real quick. See the channel? Respecting that midline as support now has become a resistance. So the channel does seem to fit better than the rising wedge. So it's really good. Darren Vern, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here. Nick Smith, yo. What? So many people here. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I'm not even sure how many people we have on the live. Wow, what? We got over 100? We got over 200? Wow, I didn't even notice that. That's so crazy. Thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, guys. Chris, fit low key. You're probably going to get timed out if you keep spamming, bro. So, you know, just watch out for that, right? The bot will time you out. That's all I'm looking at right now. Low, high, native, less native, low, and there. So higher. High, low, positive, less positive, high, low. That's fine. Nothing here. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. The 1 hour, man. What are we doing there? Oh, we had bearish divergence. We moved down. Great. Now, let's make this larger. There we go, man. Look at this, dude. Look at this. It's freaking insane. We're still coming higher. Still going lower. Still have that bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. We don't have it against error, so that's fine. Are we doing something bullish? Are we doing something bullish, man? That's all I care about right now. We do from here to here. Slightly higher. Native, more native. On the other side to a lower point, right? To that small pop. We're slightly higher still, and guess what? On this last bit, we also have freaking more strong bearish divergence. And now we actually have it against the RSI, so we're finally triggering. Moving us down, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower point. Nothing bullish. Again, trying to recover a little bit, but rejecting. Or another rejection. That's it. Neutral at 48.31. Again, that's it for EOS. Again, sorry I cannot go so much into detail. Once it comes to the last couple coins, it's just like, you know, time. Like, I'm pressed for time. So, you know, a lot of stuff I gotta go through, man. Thank you guys for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do. The like, the bell, and the sub. Hit the sub, guys. Help me get to 2,500 subs quick, man. If you guys do believe the content that I'm producing here, it's interesting. It's supporting value of education or entertainment, right? Hook me up with some likes. Hook me up with like the subs, right? Tell your friends, tell your family, right? To sub to the channel, to learn, right? We want people to learn about crypto, to grow and understand crypto. This is gonna change the world legit. It's already changing the world. Finance institutions are here. We know the cryptos or blockchain technology is gonna become the future, right? And if you really care about the people, right, that are in your life, and I'm pretty sure you talk about crypto to some of them. I talk about crypto to some of them. My wife knows about crypto. My friends, I talk about crypto. Because if you like it and you're passionate about it, it's really cool, man. Sad Wilson, I recommend a polished background. A polished background. Like that background? I can't polish it, dude. I'm in my storage room. That's where I transmit from. And that's my kid stuff, right? That's the Legos from my kid. He plays here in my office. This is my home office. I turned it into my home office. So I like it. Sad. I understand what you're talking about. A polished background. You know, I like the fact that I have Legos in the background. I like Legos, you know. And my kid comes in and plays with them. So they're good, man, you know. I'm not taking it as an offense. I'm just telling you what's in the background. Thank you, X-Star Superstar, for the comment. Yeah, and I'm still real, right? What's going on with GRT? Why would you look at GRT, Pikey? And, you know, we share this room. Actually, that stuff right there in the corner, you can almost see. It's a bookshelf. It's full of books and stuff. So he comes in here, grabs books. I have a bookshelf here on the side. You can't see it. It's also filled with books. So when I'm working here, my kid can come into the office, grab the Legos, play on the floor. I don't mind. I just, you know, it's fine. So, you know, he can be and interact with me when I'm doing home office. So it's really cool, right? Bring facts. Merry Christmas. What? What? What Merry Christmas, dude? I didn't see anything. Did I miss something? You think about a professional look? I'm thinking about a green screen. A green screen might help, but you know, this is like life, right? It's normal, dude. I'm a normal human being. So, do you collect Star Wars figurines? No, I don't. I collect Deadpool figurines. I'll shoot in a second, though. Christmas lights? Oh, yeah, I know. Steve wanted me to put some lights in the background. I did. And I need to get some like better lights. But look, there's my Deadpool collection. I rarely share this, but I have a lot of Deadpools posed there, ready to attack me if I make a mistake when I'm trading. So I don't want to mess up because Deadpool's looking at me. Brand Busey, BSB. That's the next coin, bro. I'm actually going to look at it now. You want to know how old my kid is? He's 5. He loves Legos. But he's moving out. He's moving out from the Lego Batman phase, and he's more into the Minecraft Lego stuff. So, yeah. And then the Deadpools are here just for decoration, right? Like, yeah. Then the Zoom Spider-Mans, they're his. But he wanted me to have some of this stuff here. He comes and put Legos in my desk all the time. Look, I have a Thomas and Friends on my desk. I have this Lego motors bike from like a Lego Star Wars, I think. He comes and leaves us a lot of Legos here. His Lego Sword in the Stone person figurine that he made, which is pretty cool, I think. So I do have a lot of stuff, dude. Like, there's a lot of Legos on my desk. I don't mind the fact that he comes and plays in the office. I like that. I like that interaction. We'll see. Anyways, gonna get a lead crypto ticker for the background soon. Yeah, I'm not sure how quickly I'm gonna get that, Jake, because that has to go to my parents' house in the States, because then the shipping will be, I guess the shipping will be cheaper for the person that's gonna send it to me, and then they have to send it to me whenever they go to Mexico. So that's gonna be really cool, guys. Yeah, I want to get a crypto ticker for the background. I'm gonna get hooked up with Jake, can you send me the link to the website on the Discord? I want to show them what I'm going to get. Because that's going to really also look really cool in the stream. That might help you get a little bit more polished look. For me, it's going to be really interesting to have it. I just got to figure out how to do it in the reverse. Because when you see me looking back, if it runs that way, you might see it fine. I'm not sure yet. If you can read my hat properly, then yeah, it should look fine. Give up your son Mattel stock? That's good, man. That's good. Do you see capital gain tax in Mexico in the near future? Not yet. Thanks, bro. I don't mind the lights. I left them because it gives them a little bit more light. I used to do the stream previously with the light on, and used to be really bright. I just turned off the lights then, because one day I just I went to see how it looked. I liked it. Is Mexican government supported crypto? Dude, I don't know. I don't even think they know what crypto is. They know what crypto is, but they're really not doing a lot. And if they're doing it, they're keeping it on the wraps. They have not said a lot. I'm going to check if Jake sent me that link for the... Yep. So this crypto coin display, if you go there and you use the code BitcoinJake09, BitcoinJake09, you're going to get 10% discount on the tickers. I'm not going to get this ones. I'm not going to get the Bitcoin or the Litecoin. I'm actually getting a very, very nice ticker that's going to go in the background. I'm not sure when I'm going to get it, but it's being in discussion, and they're going to hook me up. I'm going to get this one, the large one, the 20-inch crypto price ticker matrix display. And it connects with Wi-Fi to CoinGecko, I think, and it downloads the tickers for you. And that's going to be really interesting, right? So I'm not sure if I'm going to get it on red or blue, because I'm not sure which color looks better on video, right? Because this one looks really legit in red, but then the blue also looks really good, but I'm not sure how good it's actually going to be on video. So I got to ask the guy which one looks better. But they have really, really sweet tickers, right? Small ones like this one that you can put on the desk. I actually wanted to get this one to put on the shelf, but the large ticker I think is going to look better because you can get more information coming out, which is good, right? So I'm going to get one of these tickers that's going to be pretty sweet from CryptoCoindisplay.com. So yeah, go check them out, guys. They have cool stuff. So it's not a lot of tickers, but they do what they're supposed to, right? Show the blue? Yeah, it was there, right? You didn't see it? I'll open it again. It was just a small picture. I know I have BSB left. Just give me 1 second. I want to show this. This is blue. It looks really sweet, but I'm not sure if it looks too bright. Look at this picture, right? It looks too bright. So probably gonna. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a video of how they look, on camera. Because if it looks too bright, it might actually detract. But I know blue is supposed to be one of the lowest colors that you see on light, right? Or red actually. So red, and then blue is supposed to be the sharper one. So yeah, it looks purple. Bitcoin going back up. Yeah, we're not worried about Bitcoin. Oh, Jake spamming that link in the channel. Yeah, go there if you are interested in any tickers like that. I'm not sure, Daniel, yet. You know, it's struggling, right? At 35K, 36K, that 34 to 36 area. So we'll see where it goes, right? We have to hook it up with TradingView. Do I live in Cancun? No. Sorry about that, man. I live in Mexico City. Max, I cannot answer that, dude. I already covered Bitcoin. I'll cover it again in the replay, and I'll let you know more or less where it could go. Anyways, BSB. Last request that we're taking tonight. Right after that, it's just recaps. No more new requests. My brain's starting to go fried because so many freaking charts already. Like, I wouldn't mind doing a longer stream someday, but I really gotta pace myself. And then that stream's gonna be Bitcoins and then a little bit more chill and a little bit more coins. But, you know, like, no breaks, it's non-stop, 3 hours of charts. Analysis, you know, it's weird. It's weird, man. One quick second, guys. I'm gonna grab something real quick. I'll be right back. I'm gonna start doing this in a second. Yo, guys, I am back. Thank you for being here. Great stuff happening. 36 broke. If we break through 36.5, what? Yo, we're gonna look at Bitcoin in a second. Let me finish it, yo. BSB. I'm definitely gonna be looking at that, right? Come on, guys. If you're here, you like the show, you like the stream, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Do us a solid. Love the stream, love the channel. If you're being here for the last couple hours, couple minutes, and you're staying because you like it, just hook us up with the likes and the subs. Let's keep it rolling. BSB, dude, on the daily. We don't have anything. We really don't have anything. We might have something here. Let me open this a little bit larger. Oh, there we go. We had some bullish divergence back here. Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? And it's precisely what we got, but not to get that insane rally, right? That insane rally comes from the bullishness of the market, right? Bullish divergence is good, but, you know, we got high. We got to that 618, rejected, broke below the 50, broke below the 380, hit the 382. Look, we actually wicked it. Broke below, wicked the 236, and now we're trying to bounce. 236 at $172. Right now, 203. So let's go to the 4 hour. What do we have here? High, low, positive, less positive, high, low, right? So from high to low, nothing. Here we create some hidden bullish, right? Low, high. Negative. More negative. Lower, right? By the way, if you want to know what I went to do on that little message. Hey, man, do you fly RC airplanes in Mexico? I don't. I went to get more ice so I can drink more whiskey. Because it's a good stream, guys. That's it. That's a pretty serve. Again, I'm just drinking it neat. And then I have a chase of water that I have barely tasted. Justin, we're going to go back to Bitcoin after I finish this coin. So just give me a second. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Low, high, negative, less negative. It's nothing else here. Neutral at 47.15. Let's go to the 1 hour. High, low, high, low, high, low. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, dude. Let's see if we have something bullish. We have some strong bullish divergence, but we're failing at the 20. I don't like that. Strong bullish should be getting us higher. Part of the reason that we're failing is probably because Bitcoin is failing to perform, right? That's undecided. Not failing to perform, it's just undecided. And that's probably why this is permeating into the sentiment of the alts, right? And Bitcoin has been... Oh, dude, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I should say about this project, bro. I'm not that into it, to be honest. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, slightly higher. So that's it. Did nothing bullish after this strong bullish. So failing at 20, we could fail to drop lower in the previous low, right? Interpret that as bullish continuation and run up. That'll be really good. If we don't, we might drop lower. And look at where we're at. Look, this is a perfect example of what I've been telling you earlier, right? We could drop slightly lower. We could come here, right? And look at where we're at in the negative momentum. We're not going to make this much negative momentum in that small drop. And by the time we do that, we're probably going to be anchoring somewhere around there. We're going to have some strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, right? That's it, man. That's it for Bitcoin SB. Isn't this Craig Wright's, like, Bitcoin SB stuff? Someone sent you 3.8 Bitcoin SB today? Yeah, I know, dude. That was crazy, right? Local BitBuddy. Well, if it's a real Bitcoin, why is it not worth $40,000 almost, right? Or $35,000 or $36,000? Oh my God, we're pumping! Dudes, come on. We dropped 1.97% of the last candle. We're starting to recover 0.83. We're still below the 20, man. I mean, the only thing I can do here, because we don't have anything yet, low, high, negative, less negative, negative, positive, low, high on the other side. The only thing I can do is go to the half hour and see if we have something, but I'm not even sure we're going to have anything there. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side, high point, right? That's it. Nothing there. Last thing we had was hidden bearish on the half hour. We even went until the 15-minute on our request. I'm going to go there for a second. Your mother-in-law hates you now. Why? Why, dude? Jay Katera, why does your mother-in-law hate you now? Because V is legit. They are building like crazy. I'm not saying they're not legit. I'm just saying I don't like the project that much. Look, I don't have anything against any project. I do believe they all have their own thing they bring to the party. I'm fine with the projects. I don't have anything against them, right? I love all crypto. I analyze all crypto with the same intent and dedication that I analyze in the other project. I just don't like that project that much personally, but, you know, I'm not reflecting that on the analysis. I do it properly, right? That's the only things that we had on what I was doing, right? What's my perspective of Ethereum Classic? Don't like Ethereum Classic that much. I like Ethereum normal, right? But Ethereum Classic, it's okay. It's not like my cup of tea. I don't hold any. I don't plan on holding any for the short term right now. So that's not something that's on my outlook for my portfolio. I think there's all the projects that can give me better return for my money. All right, that's it. How do you feel about JP Morgan throwing their name in the Bitcoin hat? Yeah, we already discussed that earlier. But it wasn't. It was not J.P. Morgan, right? It was. Ballman Sachs, right? Ball Sachs. Ballman Sachs. Any point to the immutableness of it? I'm not on the 30. You're on the 30. You're on the 30-minute time scale, Justin. What are you seeing there? Any expectation on DOT? Goldman Sachs and JP. JP hasn't yet, but Goldman, I think they're going to go sooner, right? JP Morgan was trying to do their own coin. Descending channel. All right, I'll go on the half and look at the descending channel. If it's on the half, it should be on the 15. You're looking at this channel descending. Yeah, we could look at that. Just let me see if we have anything here. I'm trying to find something that might be bullish for the small pump that we're getting. And I think it's going to be here what I'm looking for, right? Look at this. This is going to be here on the 15-minute chart, right? That should just go to there. All right, look at that. From there to there, and then from here to here on the 15, right? So there are some strong bullish divergence. That's where we're starting to pump a little bit. But I wouldn't go crazy until we get above 37,275. And then on the fibs, where are we on the fibs, dude? We're below that 50% fib, right? On this micro channel that we drew, if you remember. Right, from the high to low, not the low on the 15, but on the 1 hour. Still applies, was still below that 50% at 36,245. So until we get above these levels in the 20, yeah, it's fine, right? Not worried about it. It still go down slightly. Why Gemini? I look at different Bitcoin charts. This is Bitcoin on Gemini. I have been getting the best results for analysis here. Most of the lines that I draw here are really well respected as horizontals. But it's not the only exchange I look at, right? This one here is on Bittrex. And look at that. I have an upsloping and ascending, a rising channel, right? An upsloping channel. And it's also being respected beautifully, right? Look at resistance at the 50, support at the 50 line, right? I look at different charts, right? So I also look at this one. I look at this one for different reasons, but I have also the Coinbase chart, right? And we have fibs in the Coinbase chart, and we found a bounce at the 236 on the daily, which also happened to bounce at the 1 hour chart. Look at that beautiful bounce there at the 236. I have different charts. I look at different data, right? And remember something. You asked me why Gemini, Justin. Don't look at just one chart. Different charts have different data points, right? They all have different trading values right now. Like right now, Coinbase is at 36,099, and then Gemini is at 36,121. Right? There is a difference. So in some charts, for me, it happens to be the case that some charts get better hits on some things, and then some charts work better for other things. I have charts where I have supports to the downside. I have charts where I have resistances to the upside. You wanted to know what's up with the red and blue lines on the MACD, right? That's the MACD line and the support and the resistance or the signal line. Sorry, dude, I'm starting to go. We're about to get a cross. MACD under a signal that could bring negative momentum and price action to downside. But if you look at this, it's starting to get subdued, right? So when that happens, and we start to get those flirting lines like this, real quick, we get this like almost nothing on negative momentum, and that's what we could get here, right? We might drop more. I mean, I'm not saying it's not going to happen, but right now we can start to get some sort of sideways motion, quick consolidation happening here. I think in this chart, I might have drawn a circle somewhere on the 4 hour, I think. And I said, watch out for a potential cross. Oh, yeah. We already got the cross. It was a couple hours ago. But this one, right? I said, look, the cross. Movement down, but it's not going down as hard as when we got the last cross up here, right? Look at the cross here. Look at how much we dropped. Look at the cross here. We rallied very nice. We got this cross. You know, we could still go below the zero. I would love to get a cross below the zero line. That could be bullish again to bring it up again. Versa. What's next for Bitcoin? 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 And then I feel like when you reply the same thing, we play the same thing so many times. I feel like I'm watching. Oh, you just got timed out. I'm sorry, bro. I feel like I'm watching. What was that movie? Dude, Where's My Car? When they go to like the Chinese food shop and it's like, and then. It just feels like that when you guys like smash, like, you know, just like do it so many times on the chat, man. It's crazy. It's just that movie. You know what I'm talking about. It's a funny movie. It's an old movie, but it's a funny movie. But that's precisely when no more and then. I know, right? But that's precisely how it feels when you guys like spam the chat so much. I'm sorry, man. 948 sucker. I cannot tell you what to do with your money, bro. You can do your own thing. Do you think you will be alive after January 2020? Did the Mayan calendar end, Jacatera? Chainlink. Yeah, we can look at Link again. It's already on the look, I already gone through everything on this part of the list. Now I have to go through everything on this part of the list, which is not a long list, but it's the recaps. And the recaps are just easy, but again, there's recaps that I gotta do, right? I skipped you? No, I didn't skip you, dude. I told you I cannot tell you where the price is going to go. I cannot tell you if it's good money or bad money. Should you sell or should you buy now? I cannot tell you. That you can only decide that. You measure your own risk. That's correct. Silent Raid's in the house, dude. Silent Raid, I didn't see you earlier. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. DNT's news today. We haven't looked at DNT. I guess we could do DNT. Real quick. I mean, not that I want to skip projects or anything. Someone says it's news today, so we looked at it yesterday, I think. So I'm just gonna look at it real quick. Ah, shit. I think it was this one, the one I had open. Yeah, come on. I'm crossing my fingers. Is it this one? I just unclicked DNT, and it might have been this one. Yeah. BT to $1. Sure, man. Luis AZ, you think beat will drop 28k? Dude, what's... Jay's gonna go to bed soon. Yeah, that's fine, dude. You're short on Binance. Alright, let me do this. Let me do a recap, guys. It's getting really late. Half an hour to go. That's it, right? I'm not running streams after 4 hours, man. Binance thoughts. I already talked about Binance. Crypto Legend. I'll do a quick recap, though. Right, so real quick DNT, right? Again, look, we did get a massive pump. We're moving down, flagging, that's fine. Not really doing anything. We had bearish divergence, we just caught up to it. Moving down, neutral at 59.61 on the 4 hour. I think it was looking clear. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there's a high, high, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Nothing on the 1 hour. Let's go to in the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Low, lower, negative, less negative. Right, some strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. It did pump up. It hit that 20. It is rejecting it, right? Again, sorry if I'm going quick, guys. I mean, I'm fried now. I just want to do recaps because I already did them. And it's easier now at this point in time because I don't have to think too much. Right, so here we had some hidden bearish divergence, had a low, and then low to high here on the RSI, right, like that. So we broke down on that. Again, created some strong bullish, hit that 20, rejected, hit the 20, rejected again. And we're really struggling to get above that 20, so not looking too hot, sitting at 11 cents. That's it for DNT. I'm not sure why it's hot news. It's really not doing anything. So down sloping triangle since we started to consolidate, right? Or, not even down sloping triangle, down sloping channel. That's it, right? I'll channel it so you guys see it, but not really doing a lot, man. Not sure why everyone's like hyped about it, but there it is, the channel, right? I'm not pinpointing the channel. I'm just showing you it's in a downtrend. All right, let's recap the coins. Ethereum. What did Bitcoin? Ethereum again, bearish divergence, action to the downside. We went down, hit that 20, found support. Look at that, we just found support again right now at the 20, right? And at 1,153, we told you we wanted to hold on support there. Again, getting that cross of MACD under the signal line. Starting to make negative momentum, so we could potentially drop down in price. If we make positive price action, we go up in price right now. We cannot do this potential cross. We still have an hour and 31 minutes to go. On our chart, again, bearish divergence, again, it's hidden bullish, starting to go up again, potential cross. Look at this is what I was telling you, right? This flirtiness happening here where we cross, we were supposed to go up, hit the 20, rejected, hit the 20, rejected. Found support, beautiful support at our target at 1,153. And now trying to go up, but rejecting the 20 again. Remember how I told you that we're very likely going to start to get squeezed between this area? That is precisely what's happening right now. If we don't break above the 20, we're going to get squeezed, and we're probably going to break down. I said probably, right? There's a chance we might break out, but probably going to break down. Yeah, someone wants me to be financial. Thank you, Ryan, for the clarification. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I remember everything here is for entertainment and educational purposes. Louis, ADA review. I already did ADA, bro, but I'm going to do it in the recap. So I'm doing recap. Litecoin next. Recap. Now recaps, no new requests, right? I need to figure out a way to put something here on the stream that like says like taking live requests somewhere up here on the bars. And then when I'm done taking a live request, just click something that says request close, only recaps or something, right? Okay, and I also got to figure out a way to place, you know, the queue list somewhere on the stream, because then it's easier. I just realized the prices are not showing. If you don't see the price on the stream, let me know. For some reason, my window moved. It actually moved quite a bit. It should have been there. And then you guys should see the prices. If you don't see the prices ever on the stream, let me know. And I'll bring it in so you can see the prices here on the side. You should be able to see the prices. Sorry if they weren't showing, guys, through the stream. Just notice that right now. Litecoin, what do we have, dude? This is not the Litecoin chart we look at. Yeah, we didn't have anything. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower. Low, high, negative, less negative, negative, positive, low, high, right? High, low. Everything's good here. We're not doing anything on Litecoin on the 1 hour, 4 hour. What do we have? Bearish divergence. Hidden, moving down on that. We haven't created any hidden bullish yet. Neutral, again, you know, we're just consolidating. Imagine this as being a large triangle right now, right? Like that. And then just draw that line going on like that. And we're in like a sort of triangle right now, if you want to look at it as a triangle. Daily. Bearish divergence, move down, hidden bullish, taking that pop. Get them below that 618. And we actually just rejected it on this 4 hour candle. It's for Litecoin, XRP. XRP, dude, 0.27. Where are we at? Again, XRP. Why do you guys want to look at XRP? It's not doing anything, dude. It's just failing to perform. It's above the 27,911, but still within this channel that we've been calling for the last couple days. 27,911 to 29,809, right? Cents. Again, you know, we move below, find support on hidden bullish, taking that small, hidden bullish, taking that small pop, and really failing to take off, right? 1 hour chart. Again, bearish divergence, hidden, moving down on that. Again, also getting squeezed. Right, just like that. All right. That's it for XRP. Let's go DOT. Recaps are just quick, right? I did them in detail earlier. If you want to look at this in detail, just go to the stream, right? So you go through the stream, you'll find the coin there somewhere. I can't remember. We didn't timestamp. We're not timestamping yet. You gotta figure out how to do that properly, and you know. Once I timestamp, you guys are going to be able to basically look at the different coins that are there. Airdrop analysis. Learn to type first, then get a job. I'm not a charity. We gave out money yesterday. You should have been here. You know, right. DOT. Bearish divergence, right? Still tracking. Hidden, strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside against the MACD and the RSI. Move down slightly. Trying to bounce. Again, above that 236. That's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. Is Tiger from Discord here? I'm not sure, man. Bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Potential fraction to the downside. Part of the reason that we're failing to take off right now on DOT. We could be moving down. We're managing to hold at 236, which is fine. Just watch out, because we could keep on pumping and we'll still have a long way to go to get rid of that strong bearish divergence. So there's a chance it might trigger. Let's go to daily. Again, still have that strong bearish divergence, right? Look at this. Hello. I'll point it here better, man. Because when I'm on the shorter times, when it looks small like this, it's just so different to like pinpoint properly. That's it for DOT, bro. Link. A lot of requests for link, right? A link to the past. I just keep on removing coins. It just keeps on messing up my latest. Link going up still. Great at $22.04. Isn't that awesome? Higher, positive, more positive. We're looking for some bearish divergence. Probably in a shorter time scale. Or was it from daily? Yeah, we don't have it on the daily anymore, so let's get rid of that. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Double bottom, right? We talked about them in the 1 hour. Higher, positive, more positive. Higher point. Overbought at 81.16. I mean, the only reason you could go down to 4 hours is because you're highly overbought. Again, this was the previous high at 1988 or 20, whatever it was, and we're moving down from that. We could move down to that area to find support and pop again if we have something. 1 hour, bearish divergence strong. We've been moving down since, trying to recover. That's fine. If we recover, guess what's going to happen? We're going to go higher. We're still going to be coming lower, and we're also going to be coming lower here on the MACD, right? So let me zoom in here a little bit more. I really want to check something out here. 18491, 182, 184, 182, right? 42, so it's coming slightly lower, like that. All right, it's going to be here on the 1 hour. Yep. And then look at this here, right? High, slightly higher. So strong bearish divergence, very almost non-noticeable. If I zoom out, it just looks like they're going flat one to another. But if you want to get really peeky about the numbers, we have that. And this could aid because when we get this going higher, this could be coming lower, right? So we'll have that strong bearish divergence from the same island. So we have that there, and that's it. That's it for Link. Yay, why do people tell me, like, why are they worried when we get like 0.68, 0.17? Are you over leveraged? Like, that's my question, right? Like, a lot of people are very, very worried. Crypto Horror, thank you for being here. Crypto Horror, I got bad news for you. You actually won yesterday on a draw, but I think you were not here and we weren't able to give you the price. I think you weren't able to give you the price. I think you won, and then you were not here to claim, I think. If you guys like what we do, hit the like, the bell, and the subs. But hit the sub first before you hit the like and the bell. That way you know you're subbed. What? Talks about Super Nintendo? Yeah, leverage when you use that to buy crypto. So if you're worried about, like, for me, it's a question of, like, a lot of people telling me, oh my god, Link is dropping, and I come here and I look at the chart and it's like 0.68%, less than a percent point. Are you worried about dropping a percent point? Like, if you guys are really worried about, like, Link dropping very little, you're probably overexposed, right? You have an overexposure, you have a lot more money there than you should have, and you're super worried about that. So I guess, like, I'm not sure why a lot of people, like, I mean, I don't mind the fact that you ask for coins. I love the fact you ask for coins, but when you're, like, sound that you're super worried for a coin, and I come in and I look at it and it's like doing nothing, I'm like, really, man? Is it really that bad? Binance, 1 hour, hidden bullish, popping up. High, low, positive plus positive, high, underside, lower point. Yeah, nothing here that is bearish on the 1 hour. Someone asked me about Binance. I held Binance for a little bit. Binance Coin, I got out of it at around $12 prior to the drop to $4. I didn't buy back in. I hit myself in the head every time. I could have bought it back dollars. Sorry, back dollars at $4 back in December 2018, and I could have written up to $40. What the hell? Sometimes we lose opportunities, right? What do you think of band? I'm not sure, AD. I'm not sure if we looked at band, dude. I'm gone right now. Pushing through the last minutes of the stream. High, low, positive, high, low, dude. Daily. We can discuss band later. Connor, you popped to 0.40. It popped to 0.40, alright, yeah. What? Is hodling altcoins a bad idea? It really depends on what you're holding. No one can even answer that. Because again, that would be considered advice. But it's usually general it's a good idea to diversify your portfolio. So, hope that answers your question. I'm not even sure if I got, like, chat from Twitch, dude. I rarely look at Twitch. Oh, there was people there. PQR, XRP gonna moon. Oh, sorry if I missed your Twitch comments. I've been busy looking at most of the chat is from YouTube, so if you're on Twitch, thank you for being there, man. Grab BCH is below its all-time high. I can't remember. We looked at it earlier, man. You can go check it out. Or we looked at it yesterday, I'm not sure. But we looked at it someday today or yesterday. Binance, that's it, right? Daily. Hitting bullish, trying to make a pop again, hitting that 20, finding support, trying to go higher, but it's not going to go unless Bitcoin lets it go higher. Go back to Bitcoin, dudes. Almost done with the stream. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do, guys. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Help us grow this channel. There's so many kind people here. You'll help us with the likes and the support that you give this awesome channel. If you're here and you haven't subbed, I'm 30 subs away from target. Right? So this is the part of the channel where the stream where I just chill with you for the last couple of minutes because I'm almost done. Thank you, Breath. Sad Watson, why is it bad to offer financial advice? Go check it out online. I can get into a lot of trouble. I cannot do that. Thank you for keeping us informed through the night. Yo, Holy Cheap, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I didn't see your comments until right now, but thank you for being here. Crypto Horror, you love this channel? Thank you. Sorry for what? Oh, yeah, you know, for yesterday probably, I'm not sure. What is the function to set the lines with the prices on the side on TradingView? All right, cool, yeah. That is your fibs, Fibonacci. You're not going to see it. I'll move this into view. Just give me a second, I'll explain it. I'm going to move this to here, right, or here basically. You're going to go into this option here, right? This, you have the plus sign or the center selection tool, whatever. You're here, you're going to go here, you're going to go Fever Tracement, right? Alt F. You can go there and then you can put your fibs, right? And once you have your fibs, you usually go from low to top, right? And then you go here. You're going to have to adjust, right? You're going to have to go to Style and say you want, you know, extended lines or extended lines right. That's going to run. So if I go extended lines left, it's going to bring lines across the whole chart. I don't want that. I just want extended lines to the right. For me, that works. If I remove them, they're just going to be from wherever I draw to wherever I draw them. So they're going to be very, very short-lived fibs, right? So I just want them to be to the right. I don't mind them keep on going to the right. I just don't want them to go to the left and mess up with other data that I have. Or, you know, if I have other fibs back there, they might clutter them, and I don't want that. So I just want the new fibs to be showing towards the right side of the chart. And then you just pick whatever points you want to look at. So 0 to 36, 382, 50, the 618, the 7886, the 1%, the 1618, the 2618, the 3618, and the 4618. Those are the ones that I usually look at. Background, I removed it. If I put background, it's going to look horrible. You're not going to see anything, so remove that. Then you say to show prices and the levels, right? Add values. Then just coordinates, you know, that's where you anchor, like high to low, right? Those are those points. If I move them, they're going to move. And then here, just, you know, where you want them to show. So if I don't want them to show on the 1 hour or 4 hour, you know, I'll remove them. If I want them there, I show, and that's it. All right, I'm going to get rid of this fibs anyways, so I really don't care much for them. That's it for fibs. Sat Watson, join us on the Discord. I'll send you information on that. What charts am I using? Omar Chavez, I'm using TradingView. Costa, thank you very much. No worries, bro. No worries, man. Okay, yeah, I mean, guys, I'm almost, like, done, dude. Like, my brain's gone. So, I'm just chilling right now. It's like worth holding on to. It depends. Do you like the project? Do you believe what it can do? Do you have the technicals for it when you get in? When you plan to get out? It just, you know, Gaurav. You got to really think about the, you know, those questions for yourself and answer them by yourself. Once you do that, you're going to know whether or not you should be holding. Dude, I'm not sure how many people are in here right now. 164. If you haven't subbed yet, hit that sub. Hit the like. Help me get... Today's stream goal was to get to 1,250 subs. We're like 30 below the goal, but that's fine. Yeah, well, thanks for stream, 80. Do you have different Bitcoin views on different browser tabs? No. I just have them on my watch list. Right, like here, I'll show. That's my watch list. Right. I have Bitcoin on Gemini. It's waiting for it to load, or Coinbase, you know, whatever. Yeah, I have different Bitcoins here. I have all cryptos here, right? All the coins that come requested on the stream, they're here. That's where I gotta go look for the data, but no different points, bro. You hate this range. You're just gonna set alerts. Yeah, that's the smart thing to do, Justin. Set up alerts. XTZ looking good. We already looked at XTZ, John Smith. I'm not gonna look at it again. Malik, another person needing money. I'm sorry, man. You want money for starting crypto trading? That's fine. Go get a job, bro. Everyone needs money. The whole world needs money, Malik. You know. Sad. Thank you for being here, man. Or do that, I'm not sure. But thank you for being. Join us on Discord. Links in the description, right? Join us on Twitter, guys. Join us on Twitter. Links going out to Twitter right now. Oh, dude. Really? Oh, dude. Fuck that. That's it, man. Don't come in here posting addresses and, like, you know, panhandling for crypto. That's really, really not cool, man. Any book you recommend on trading skills? Abraham Gonzalez. Yes, go onto the Discord. I'll send you a book. Not my book, a book written by someone else, but I'll send you a book. Filoni, don't say I didn't tell you. You didn't tell me what? I'm not even sure what you're talking about, bro. You just said, don't say I didn't tell you. Mamba for life. Visa made deal with XLM. That's cool, bro. Is that real? That's gonna be legit. That's gonna get XLM to pump. Is it pumping on that right now? Nah, news haven't hit this probably. Kyla, newbie. What does bullish mean? It just means your positive outlook. It just basically means you have a positive outlook for the long term, right? That you believe the long term outlook for the project, it's going to be positive and higher from where it is at right now. When you're bearish, your outlook is negative. You basically believe that the project is going to be performing worse. Thus, you'll be looking for a decline on that, right? That's pretty legit, man. I got some XLM already, so I'm set. I'm good. It's not a huge amount, but it's some amount, so it's good. Viral video, join me on the Discord. I'll send it to you, man. I have a lot of books on trading, so I can you know. Someone hooked me up with a lot of books once. Basically, all of these books I have on trading, so I can really hook you up with some books, reading material if you guys want. So just go on the Discord, let me know. Thank you for doing this. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for being here. Gotcha. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, no problem. Kyla, Cardano is higher than Litecoin in market cap. Wow, interesting. Is it really? It's a vault out right now. Did it pull back a little? Yeah, pull back a little in the bearish divergence, but still doing really good. Yeah, Cardano just flipping Litecoin, right? The flippening happened. Thank you guys for being here. Awesome to have you guys here, for reals. But guys, I am done for tonight. I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to take it easy. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm going to be here again. Montag Sloop. Do I smoke weed? No, I don't smoke weed. Mamba, dude, you know better than to ask for that. Oh, dude, we're like 20 away. Dude, for reals? Dude, Jake Atera, your mother-in-law hates you because you crashed your RC airplane onto her. I already asked you earlier why she hated you. You didn't reply, or I didn't see it, man. Sorry if I didn't see it, but how did you crash your RC airplane onto your mother-in-law, dude? That's insane, bro. Big no-no. GRT to XLM, low-key. Can I do a quick last recap on Bitcoin? Yeah, it's not doing anything, dude. Oh, ICQ123. It's not doing anything. It's just there. How often do I live stream? I live stream every day, Crypto Legend. I'm almost here every night, except for really rare occasions when I'm not here. Either I have to be out of town, or I'm feeling really bad or something, right? So I might get a massive headache. If I have a massive headache, I might come in. Usually top 5, or top 5 in a couple of requests, 2-3 requests, and that's it. I'm gone, but I'm here every night almost. You can look at the streams, dude. Look at the dates on the streams. You'll see that in about a year and a half, I'm at stream 460 something. So I missed like 60 days almost. It's about 2 months last year, but that's every now and then, right? So that's just like missing a Sunday every week almost. And that's because I had to go on work related trips during during the end of 2019, right? So, but I'm usually here since 2020. I've been here almost every single night. Do I use the 50 SMA? Yeah, I use no, that's a 20. I have the 50 here. I have my moving averages here. It's a different chart, but yeah. That's a 20. That's Bitcoin, dude. It's not doing anything, right? It's going down right now. Rejecting the 20. We said it potentially could do it. It's rejecting it, right? I'm not sure why you guys want to look at there, man, but thank you for being there. Yeah, someone asked something earlier. I'm not sure. I'm not gonna, like, that's the recap, right? I mean, you can go to the beginning of the stream, you can go to a couple minutes ago, we talked about Bitcoin, man. I'm not gonna recap it again. I'm just chilling. I'm done, dude. I'm like burned already. That's a long stream already, right? It's been a couple long streams, dude. Like my streams used to be like an hour, half hour, an hour, maybe an hour and a half. And since I started to pick up traction, they just gone crazy, dude. It's like this big, like large, huge. Can you look at Ethereum? I already looked at Ethereum. It was the second coin I looked at in the stream. I'm about to sign off, actually. I just wanted to check something out real quick. Sorry about that. I'm about to sign off, dude. I'll just put Ethereum there. Oh, sorry, that's XLM, dude. Let's go to Bitcoin. I didn't realize I wasn't looking at Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin, dude. Are we above the 20? Or are we still rejecting it? No, we're still rejecting the 20, see? So it's still the same. We're looking for the Bitcoin to get above the 20, right? Otherwise, rejection just means potential movement down still. Ethereum, there it is, dude. It's not doing anything. It's also rejecting, or trying to get above the 20, but, above the 1,153. That's fine, dude. Ethereum doing fine. If it gets above the 20 again and manages to use it as support, we could be trying to aim for 1,261. If Bitcoin moves sideways, it might actually give Ethereum the chance it needs to move. Again, back to Bitcoin. Really failing to go higher. Ryan, you enjoy the stream? Pace myself. Yeah. Can be healthy to go until you almost lose your voice every night. I'm not losing my voice right now. I'm actually doing good tonight. I'm not that bad. Dutch top 15. That's awesome. What charts do I use? What do you mean what charts? I use TradingView, dude, for charting. So. I'm good with my voice tonight. It was just the last couple days. I think I hurt something in my throat, like one of my vocal cords or something. I was just hurting for a bit. A lot of tea, a lot of honey, and today not talking at all throughout the day really helped, I guess. Justin already said it's a 20, dude. I'm using. I said it's a 20, and then said I had the 50 on another chart. That's cool. Yeah, Bollinger Band's 20. Right. 2 standard deviations. Guys, that's going to be it for tonight, guys. Thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Again, this is Stellar Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Again, it's been marathons the last couple days, right? 4-hour streams, guys. Really. I enjoy being with y'all. I enjoy being here every night. I enjoy talking about crypto, talking about markets, you know, chilling with y'all, getting to know you, building an awesome crypto community, which is ultimately what I want to do. So, Korean Batosai, hello. Hi, I'm about to sign off, Korean. But thank you for being here. Join me on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also, if you like what we do, hit the like button, the sub. Again, remember, all the content that we produce here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. So if you like what we do, again, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. It's an awesome channel. We're building an awesome community so far. I'm really proud of the work that we're doing here and the community that we're building. I'm here every night. Korean about to say you like the video. Thanks. Subscribe, bro. Again, join us on Twitter. It's going out right now. At the State of Crypt 1. You can find me there. You can also interact with me there if you want. If you don't have a Discord, just join me there. And I'm here every night, guys, right? And I try to be as helpful as I can. I try to take as many requests as I can. After 20 requests, I basically just close the list. I cannot take more than that, dude, right? 20 requests takes me like 3 hours to go through, right? Or 2 hours and a half. So it's insane. And then here, it's also there, right? So, Chim Suicide, 200 likes. Awesome, dude. Thanks for that. Awesome. It's just 200 likes, dude. And here we're at, you know, the replays already, right? They go there on the back. So, again, I do a lot of requests every night. Korean Batosai, I'm about to sign off. I'll oblige and do that real quick. Just give me that sub, and I'll check out the GRT real quick. And then I'm off, dude, right? Again, because that's it. I'm done. So the graph. Quick recap. I'm just going to flash through it, dude. It's going to be like seconds. Hidden bullish, taking that action to the upside. Rejecting, or getting below that. Sorry, that's not the graph. Where's the graph? Here it is. What do we have? On the daily, we don't have anything, right? We're rejecting the 618. That's fine. We still have support here at 0.39. 4 hour. Bearish divergence, right? Look, it's still triggering. Potential action to the downside. Could come in, we could break below at 3.39, that's it, right? If we go higher, we just keep on tracking for that bearish divergence. If that triggers the strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Bought at 69.02 on the 1 hour. Bearish divergence moving down again, low, high, negative, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Look at that, we're still moving down. Probably the bearish divergence from the 4 hour. We might also have something on the 1 hour. And it looks like we really want to head for that 0.39. 0.39 cents, right? Bought at 68.03. Guys, that's it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to be here tomorrow. I'll catch you again for another edition of Stellar Crypto, guys. Until then, remember, education in it. If you're not subbed, you're missing out. I know. Thanks, Israel. If you remember, all education is for entertainment and education purpose only. Read the disclaimers on the comments, right? They're there for a reason. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. I start at 9 p.m. Central. Know that. I haven't changed on the end screen. It's gonna say 11 p.m. Central. It's not. It's 11 p.m. Eastern. It's not that time. It's 10 p.m. Central. Sorry, 9 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. Eastern. I need to update it. Thank you guys for being here. Click the bell, click the sub. I'm here every night. Money Mike, thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Much appreciate all the support and love that you guys show to the channel with your time being here. That's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow.